Because I'm trying to maybe celebrate myself for the ECOWAS win. Other easy. It's to Nigerian government to win, yeah. You want to go? Other easy. This case last year, like came by 2022 or 2021. Yesterday came and I give them the justice that I deserved. You want to the bully they bullied me. This bastard, that useless woman, Anna Abuja, bullied me. Put on a line, me bulletin. You want to go? When the audacity take a laws in her hands, be present, Amo. You want to go? So, I can put on be on this program. So, my right son, you put I will take over my program. Go ahead, guys. Share this video because for those of you who had a similar problem, I will show you the route. It may take time, it may take years, but justice must prevail. Continue. Ray, son, you could chance me was here my program. Go ahead. Can you hear me?
Thank you very much, ma.
Ray.
Can you hear me?
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Because you know that is why most times if I analyze stream,
yeah.
Because a lot of these people, what they just come to do, most times, and that is why Eba come for another case because it's in the maybe other case and that I now my jelly any discussion. I wanna clear this air of jelly saying a man I am bo nam give a discussion man I am bo Gaya bo no bankata. You and I any single discussion I discuss. What I came to Ogechi platform to show is what you said on your own live stream. What you said on your own live stream, we hembranga kowagashi. Eshi play will baragi. Na enwerende. Eshi play will abagi we arego. Shejabo bonde mano. That's number one. Abagi we arego kagabo boya. That's number two.
We have won our case in ECOWAS.
Now give me the evidence.
And then we did our case in ECOWAS. Got to go. Where are those people that are mocking Ogechi? What about your ECOWAS case? What about those people? Guys, share on this program. I can make a go time.
I want to show evidence. I have shown the evidence.
I can make a go time. On our website. Go and read yourself. Go and read yourself.
Now that's number one.
Go and read it. Go and read it yourself. Maryam justice. The verdict has been presented, has been proclaimed. You violated my human rights.
Number two. That's number three.
You want to go?
Number four.
I'm a play video, where you take laws in your hands. Show me to the world. Subdue me to zero. You want to go? So, Abraham, the justice may take time, but it is.
Evidences, more evidences.
But it is. That there is law. I am nobody, but grace found me. Because I'm innocent. You look for my trouble. You violated me. You humiliated me. You look for my trouble. Yes. You guys, shut up this now.
On your live video.
I want the world to see. Buruya to any blogger. All of you that sampled that was wanted. All of you that sampled it, you answer me. Anytime I call you will answer me. That's the Sharam program, because all the very important. Sharam case, yeah, Sharam program are very important. Yes, it took time. Go and read it in ECOWAS. I'm not delaying. Oh, okay, I'm just making up the story. I want you to go there and read it. I wanted to go there. When I sued, I wasn't expecting any money. All I was expecting is to tell me what is right and wrong. But you have to attach money according to how it works. You have to attach money. You want to go? Leia, if you think I'm lying, go to ECOWAS. Oh no, there. ECOWAS website. You want to go?
This is what
ECOWAS website. And they go to your own order anywhere. Was wanted list. The police order. Everybody order. In case of that's why I came out. All of you that posted this thing on your wall, if you don't remove it, I will come after you. Because it's not legal. It is not legal to post that most wanted list. Yes.
And I still have the video.
I know it took time. But thank you for my barrister Heckerson. I will run a proper program, but I just want to come. Can you go the merriment of?
I believe
can you celebrate go there?
Before the
in the TikTok, everyone run our program. How many win? To go,
so in jail,
you want to go?
Because I believe you, madam.
You understand what I'm saying? So go and read it. Go to ECOWAS link here. It's a post. So the link here. You can go and verify. Yesterday, I am made video. Yesterday, they did not see this comment.
So
and when I want them, Potarashegi, you will remember this day. That day I was laughing. And when I want them, Potara. Now, Shaggy, you will remember this day. You don't know why I want to get to the video. I want to show short on winter. I'm going to okay, remove these Abada people now. Let's rejoice. Don't worry. Don't worry, they can't grab them. You want to Abuja think
I have the video.
That stupid woman think she on Nigeria. She thinks she on Nigeria. She thinks Nigerian law is in her hands. Don't worry. I should get one after another. Unintelligent criminal. Come and tell them that he went to get all these good for nothing idiots. That thought now put your child in school. That thought now put your child in school was busy. Malofalin brain.
Why I came here because
do you understand what I'm saying? All you idiots who are in school and make this fool like a school to maneuver brain. You want to go? Tell her that nothing is possible. Yeah. Wasted your career on a no button.
So I can raise my case now. Bye.
Guys, if you can I'm a this case. Thank you, my love.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my love. Thank you. This place is open. You can come in anytime you want. You know, my brother. You are open to come in anytime, any day.
Oh, one day, one.
Likewise, every other person that wants to come in.
Congrats, my love. I'm so happy. Also, this is a journey of how many years? Finally.
How many? Go and read it, you know. No, there. Go and read it.
And time, everything. Congrats and love here.
I don't even need the money they awarded me.
We no power.
Oh, get it.
How much you may have? At least minimum of 100 million.
Oh, look, keep on out of Nigeria. You know, my brother, but you don't have to get money. Money is not the bone of contention. All my rights, they strapped on, they stopped on. You want to go?
Okay, the beginning part of the program, before you about the saga mood, because may explain. Can we copy that side in the post video, may analyze of my biko. Actually, make different video. This winning, this success.
Because the saga, but that's what we go to. Mama, but I know to be good. We did it. Guys, share because go I share today. Now share program. Oh, get it. Oh, Subrilo. Am I a man? Ogechi wanted without doing marry for a minute. I'm here one day, one fateful day. One idiot they will report them now, man. No Ogechi is declared wanted. An idiot. We are busy celebrating that they declare wanted without doing nothing.
Because senior I-14.
Chero, who did in a photo?
Okay, because by live on Facebook.
I'm live on Facebook now. I'm live on a blue app.
TikTok, I'm on the Facebook.
The blue app. The blue app. I told him to share am here because I'm audio and a go time. Share to me here. You want to go? I'm running here with the echo, Papa. Na phone, yeah, give me the echo because can't go. Because no.
The man only na bato.
Yes, yeah. Adibe, up you we are. Damn you! Damn you! Na to sarabo kwa. Kamjuno. Alisa share mu that video that woman imere. Ojiri was wanted and prayer like this. Share mu that video. Alisa, if you are here, reshare it. I'm amnesia. Here where woman thought she had Nigerian law in her hands. This is a woman who put Rayana torment in This is a woman who put Rayana Yabeya. And I'm with the law in her hand. And she will come. And even the thing is that they ridiculed my constitutional rights. The followers I have online, they make people believe that Ogechi, I will make a criminal. They make people see me as a criminal. They use this most wanted and bullied me for years. They humiliated me. They mocked me out in Nigeria. They still arrested me because of that most wanted. Easy. ECOWAS, God bless you. Because Imana Hashi, Osolamu, Imana when the pitch the case here, yes. Mande de chana pupo, no getting look case here. When I give you grace in this life, if you have grace, God karaga again why. There are many, but God will always fight for your battle. How the many, but God will never forsake you. This woman did one year declared wanted. Amamu connection on Jemegi and Tapo. I don't know. She will look for trouble. She will run there. She will lie, and they will declare you wanted. For what just cause? I don't know. They did not send me no invitation. They did not call me Ogechi. None. They declare me wanted. About Nigeria. I harass yamu, molest yamu, bullied me. And when he from Nigeria, tag me as a criminal. Oh, joy. Joy how to destroy you, that is what gives her joy. I get most wanted. I don't know who is behind this thing in Tapone. This thing all just can be Buno. It will go more viral than this. Oh, can be Buno that. Oh, join in a war. The victory is here. Oh, join Amulua. The victory is here. We did it. We didn't give up. We were not subdued by crowds. We were not humiliated by crowds. By our English, we stood our ground. I refuse to give up. I refuse to be subdued. I refuse to be non-bad. No matter how many people that are against me, I took it in a appropriate way. What again? I refuse to be humiliated because I'm not in Nigeria. One woman got put stuck illiterate. A woman that is not informed that thinks she can take laws into her hands every 24/7. She bullied you.
The president gazette
Alisa, iji that video came out put go shoot the whole world that Ogechi ne kwa musu wanted here. You will know they don't. If you delete it, I'll look for it.
But sure, go to the present one. Oh my God, the one I go and look for that one.
I will show you how this woman put her torment humiliated my families, humiliated everyone. all these bingos, uneducated idiots, those idiots she called low lives. Those idiots she called umefurefu. They see when I rallied around her because they are violating somebody else's rights. And you think it will not get to you. A woman who is bittered, bruised, damaged for some reason I don't know. And she thinks she will come out and declare everybody, where the audacity? But whatever I can share this thing online. ECOWAS, God bless you all. ECOWAS, all the judges that took their time and went through this. All the judges, even they presented the bastard video. ECOWAS say no. There is something that is not adding up. Because you violated me first. You ridiculed me. You bullied me. And when I came after you, that was the victim. How? How is it done? Only there was in Nigeria that anybody can come up, create law, do anything, and everything is okay. I don't know who this woman is using under that Interpol. I don't know. I don't know who is this woman is using. I'm not wondering why now they're using Interpol. I don't know. Something is not right. They did not investigate me. They did not send me letter of invitation. They did not do anything. They did not invite me. They did not do anything appropriately. They just violated me, chatted me, humiliated me, harassed me. Just to make my arrest, it took me to court. For no just cause. For no just cause. For no reason. One year put an online, describe my person, humiliated me, harassed me, bullied me. Yes, overnight, pay people to harass me, pay people to bully me. To defend myself, I become the problem. I become the problem. She will come online, harass people. Somebody who went open a TikTok, I don't know.
Wow.
Over to you.
Because Anthony excuse me, because Anthony I went to it. Baby. So I went to you before my bar to get back to I got 9K. First and foremost, congratulations to Queen of all Queens. I'm very happy to hear this news. So I do go this surprise because I'm not from the one I cared about and they won't hear all just jealousy and the envy. So Nana, in Kali Ikubuna, I don't na page jelly. You go the enemy so again. You go na comment it here. You go that I get buttery and what I told me we jelly.
Please. Have buttery. I don't want to know that. That's because Akwabeke.
One thing with you not an every general if you know not compete with which is if you saw back here, she saw the and the second the general back and then I said I get buttery. So many things. I'm going to Chinese saga talk. No, I'm watch. No, as for no get na le puloge. In this side.
I hear big canonamu. Yeah, Ijele get your radio because you will exhaust all your work.
So many things.
And when you come here na call who the oh my papa ke karane happen na here we him kuda na.
So you know
Ijele you will ehuru puru ya ba amu war. Anything you see hanyereki carry it and warn me. Carry it and warn me. If you stop, I will trigger you. If you stop, I personally will trigger you. You must warn me.
Oh, I can say come put that so that God feed their new.
Get your radio. And one problem, let them bring it to you. I don't even give a fuck. Oh, I'm not going to bring it. Get your radio, but that's not an issue. If you do the time, may threat to you every time. If you, mommy here will check it. I don't know what your problem is.
Again, you tell because that treat your this God train on same go to your
oh, my God, oh,
and the Nigerian Alaba,
get ready from you. Information all I have will happen. Mami, I probably can't put here now. Yeah, we him program.
Your mental, you were mental.
Because happen on your show, you
were mental problem. I'm looking at you. You give me everything. You need to go yara. You need to go for mental check. Or you the mentally unstable. Honestly, even on a TikTok, just even big goes big on it to everybody but I never. You not just intimidate. So yeah, you need to know you are not competing. Okay, it's not competing with you. No game. They can know it's not saga. You saga me okay. You know them as safe as okay, you know. So okay, the two big the Guinea and baby and exchange US.
Nalayo, I got about the wall. Who they put that too big? Lie. I got about that wall.
Oh, you been at Jegule Lagos. I
got about Ijele me go di ha no ya no bi o tela. Ya Ijele put na against me Ijele bu pute ya. Ijele, that thing ha je ne gi na ha je about me bu pute ya. I got about wall. Ijele I got about wall. And one by no, kai pa bie pa ni ha ko ogbu once and for all. O tele.
Thank you. Take that saga because the celebrate where you know thanks be to God.
Every time. The worst thing, she don't even know what to saga. Oh my, how we him did I hear now? Oh my God. Look at Anoya. Look at Onye.
And I saw you got which is okay, it's not begging you to come to our page. Okay,
idiot.
With British in a beach, I don't get a plantain.
Lenny idiot to Bogamaga di one. I got the one Bogamaga di one.
Okay, just have to go to
oh, my papa got spoil my mood now. He will not violent no wigi. He will violent. Hey, violent again. Bye. They can play our job because happen no come celebrate amo because can celebrate anu no wemo because double apple because can bogo debu because na
move managing all your money immediately keeps up with your global life.
Share because Sharon, I want my case. I want my echo of case. Until I got to learn my moves now. Come over the one side. Hey. Thank you for the gift, baby. Let it go over. And is it not right? Cheers! Come back with me, come. Let me up. Every number. Hey, you do that. I don't know the place. Hey! Thank you, everyone. I want my everyone to Hey! Hey! Meeting I love people. And then I have my bill and I have to ask for finance bank. TikTok, I'll give it one more. It's kind. TikTok, what did I do? Nah, TikTok. No, I don't know. When I get my camera back on TikTok. Eh? Eh? Oh, get it. Oh, get me. Someone should wear.
Now you see me? Now you don't.
TikTok, someone should wear a shake. When I can't carry violation, can't give me. What did I do? Eh? Guys, so.
Let's shift from Cameroon and not too close. That's why.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Huh? Which kind bosa be this? Ababe magba. Eh? TikTok amamu urubit. Huh? Chineke God nabiko. Guys, on the blue app, man, this case of Fuma. That's why I want you guys to share around this program. I want to know the full details of the case. When the whole thing started. I want to know they are aware full time. What I go? I want to know the lady greedy and Hong Kong greedy. None of this case.
TikTok.
Nah, mama, in them way. I don't know them way. It doesn't matter. Hitila. I'm trying all these things. Hit plus 21. All this rogitiga. They will still grab you. They will still strike you. I don't understand. Eh? You should child. The back and the deeper life. Still.
When the bad shake, you can apply from this some time ago.
Mama, my home on me tracks. I just don't get it. Mama. Every little thing. Every little thing problem. Every little thing problem.
Wow.
Every little thing problem. Every little thing problem. So, let me go straight to the point. The reason why I came here. Let me tell you guys the reason why I came here. There is this woman called Maryam Justice on social media. Every time this woman will come out and intimidate you, she will be the one to look for trouble. And she will also come on social media to violate your own rights. She will insult you. She will bully you. She will use all manner of words against you. So when all these things started, she came after me. I have several videos that she made against me. She bullied me. She described me with all manner of things. All manner of name callings. She called me names. She chastised me. She humiliated me. She bullied me. She even threatened me to an extent I could not take it anymore. She called me a criminal, called me a fraudster. With us, I have never taken anything from her. That I defraud people. I did not take anything from her. So for those of you that use this most wanted to warn me, now listen from the court order. ECOWAS and the police order with immediate effect. Everyone will have published that most wanted that they should go and bring it down with immediate effect. Immediate. So anywhere you publish my stuff, I will sue you. Record this video for the future reference. That's why I'm airing it in different platforms. Anywhere, this wanted list that you carried it again, I will strike you. Because the law has given order that I am innocent, that everything they did me wrong. Because of that monster. Now, Nigerian police, Interpol, I want to address you guys today.
I hear you, okay, they did you wrong.
I want to address you guys today. This woman will bring a bad reputation to you all. This woman, I don't know the connection. I don't know who she's using. Practically using at that to start covering her atrocities. This woman has committed a lot of atrocities. She has bullied thousands of people. She has bullied people enough.
She has a fake account.
She has a fake account which she confirmed in one of her voice notes. She has bullied people. Whoever that she's using, under that, she will bring bad name to you guys. People will now see you guys that you guys are not competent enough to do the necessary thing you guys should do. Let me tell you guys, whoever that this woman is using to suppress or to intimidate people, Nigerian police, take precaution. Because if people keep suing you, it will bring a bad name. Put an end to this woman. Put an end to her. Her bully is beyond imagination. She's a bully. She been in this saga. She paid people to saga me. I have evidence. You guys did not hear from me. You guys did not hear from me. You guys did not hear from me. You guys did not reach out to me. You guys took her own complaint without verifying my own part of the story. I don't know who she's using. Somebody she's using will bring Nigerian police a bad name. I will submit this thing to a lot of bloggers. So Nigerian police, stop giving you people's bad names because of one woman somewhere. She will come and look for trouble. She will bully people. And when people replied, she start targeting people. Because she know that we don't base in Nigeria. And she will take you to court and expect you to start coming from US to court. Nigerian police, do something. This woman will ridicule on her prestige and personalities because of her own personal interests. I hope this is a sound warning to all of you. And she's still threatening that she's gonna bring a lot of she's gonna put a lot of people under bulletin. Nigerian police, I know you guys have gotten this verdict because you guys came yesterday. I watched it on Zoom. I joined Zoom. I watched it. I listened. I saw a Nigerian Interpol police there. This thing is not good for you guys. This woman is ridiculing you guys. Tag Interpol so they will be hearing what I'm saying. She's bringing a lot of damages to her personality. Whoever that she's using, she's a troublemaker. She is a bully. She's a master. She violates people's rights. Anyhow she chooses. She used you guys to threaten people, especially people that are based in abroad. She tormented people because she based in Nigeria. She can get up and walk into any. She said she has every right to go in any police station, and they would, if they don't do it, she will use her body. I have the evidence. She's operating under somebody to destroy. This thing is not ending here, oh. Nigerian police, you guys, IG, I know you're a good man. IG or police, I know you are a good man. This woman is using somebody under Interpol to molest people. I know you're a good man, IG. Look into this woman affairs. She's bringing bad names. She has gazetted 4 persons in total. For what? She will look for trouble. She will run to police. This woman has violated a lot of people's human rights. I am the first person she did it, and she got away with it. And now she's still threatening thousands of people. She's still operating on the same umbrella. IG, please do something. Reinvestigate every case. They did not investigate me. They arrested me. They hijacked me to cut off to Nigerian courts. They did not do any investigation. She started calling other people to come. That case should be reinvestigated. Every case should be reinvestigated. You guys will see where this woman are busy bullying others. Bullying others. ECOWAS Court, God bless you all. I am nobody to win a case. I am nobody. I'm not even in the list of people, because out of people that came to court yesterday, I'm the only one they gave verdicts. I'm the only one they granted winner. Out of the cases I watched on Zoom. They were trashing until they get to my own. Until they get to my own, I don't have anybody. I did all I made sure that everything. Thank you for Barrister Iheseke Samuel. You did a very wonderful job. You did a very, for those of you that are looking for a barrister to work with, that man is so sophisticated. They even came to bribe him. They even came to threaten him. When they heard that Ogechi and her barrister is having a little misunderstanding. I had everything. He passed all the information to me. He's a man of integrity. He's a man you should rely on. In case if you have any case, in case if you want to, you're battling with anything. He is an honest man. He's an honest man. Thank God that justice has finally prevailed. Yes, I was celebrating yesterday. I said, I was waiting for the official statement to come out. I made a video yesterday. They didn't know. I said they didn't see this coming. I made a video yesterday because of this particular video. You want to go? Do not give up. Since 2022 or 2021, if I'm not mistaken, this case has been going on. People keep pressing it. When they enter the letter, Ogechi, yeah, submit a video. Submit a video. Ogechi did this. Ogechi did that. Look at what 2021. Thank you. Ogechi did this. Ogechi did that. They were busy submitting videos. ECOWAS Court became so confused. How can this woman have problem with everybody? How? Intelligent people took their time. They took their time without listening to, because you guys are in the game. You guys are in the game. You guys violate. This woman paid. Oh, there's this one called an intelligent criminal. She claimed that's her brother. She claimed everybody that bullied me is her brother. She paid for me to be bullied. She sponsored bullied. And when you reply, she start using Nigerian authority to threatening you. Telling you to come to Nigeria and do law. Because she can think, she knows she's based in Nigeria. My dear, there are many things will unveil. I shouldn't get patient. I remember when Ogechi, what about your ECOWAS court? I was just looking at these idiots. Because they all stuck. They all stuck. They don't know how the judiciary system works. The unintelligent criminal will come and lie and lie and lie and lie. Somebody that you cannot see his face, but he will tell you, there's nothing like ECOWAS. There's nothing like this. There is nothing like this. ECOWAS cannot. Yeah. Because he is getting peanuts from this set of monsters. You want to go? They try to subdue me. They try to shut me up. They try to close my mouth. They try to intimidate me. They try to label me all manner of this. I'll get you 500 million. I'll get you this. Okay. They think I will give up. They think I'm easy to give up. Eh? They will come and give all manner of verdict online. You believing that that's how it works. These people connived. These people gathered. Because somebody is somewhere giving them shishi 1 naira, 2 naira. They sold their integrities. Go to ECOWAS. Go to ECOWAS website and read it. Oh, Nigerian police. Oh, Nigerian police remove my paper anywhere. If you post my most wanted, go and remove it. Oh, because when the lawsuit will strike on your corner, don't say I didn't warn you. If you know anywhere, you post that most wanted, go and remove it. Oh, I am warning you now. I don't need to stay in Nigeria to sue you. I wasn't in Nigeria when I made this ECOWAS sue. I don't have to be in Nigeria to sue you. All I need to appoint a power of attorney, and they will go for it. Remove my most wanted anywhere you post it. Oh, this video is my witness. This verdict was made yesterday, June 24th, and I'm making this video today, telling everyone that once posted it, I will just allow you because that time the court order has not been issued. Now I'm warning you now, with the authority that been invested in me, remove any most wanted list concerns Ogechi Okeke Njaka that they made falsely. Remove it from your platform. Don't say I may make it go. I may make it go. Do you know why the ECOWAS the police when the Kurumaka for even telling police to pay me 1 naira? Ogechi, God love you. You believe how police Nigerian police are man for even telling police to pay me 1 naira. You know that God's grace is over me. The money is not the bone of contention here. It's my name that this woman ridiculed all over the world. It's my name that this woman ridiculed all over the universe. That's the most annoying part of it. And I'm still coming for her. Because she will tell me who gave her the audacity to post to molest me. It's one after another. Or one after another. She will know that she cannot take laws into her hands. She can Abraham, you don't get one, Yaputa, and come and do restitution. She offended people.
Sending in our staff so that TikTok people will understand. Who
did this one? Is send the Chema Chok and she got commissions to come out to the publish.
I never actually had your gate. I want to know my boyfriend Nasaga. Why not Nadi?
I want the particular video to the Akaya sample, or that one is the one I want to play.
Look away, where I go. Obia ko gba get mentaya, ogbacha get mentaya, people neze geze. Gini mezi oil boy, Chineke why get menta. And menta Chineke gba ngba de wo, feature. E mentaya wan gba go like otu awi na ga finish kan kapi. Kan kapi, mo ko na wan na di na aladi. One menta kan kama je monga, kama ma unu cha das na ga sa das ne no na di na aladi. Chineke what ike ihe na-eme bụ just amasiki na-eme ị na-achụgharị Ogechi amaghị onye bụ abịa meza I came to find for them. women pride, Nibie, or not query. But the same you with a voice note, Nankechi make your Mahone Kere Otoya. The same Ota, same you the water and not threatening the butcher. Have you ever condemned the Kechi for all?
You know the funny thing I would at these people. This woman and our Shimwa had to go to my hotel. Look at where they went to my hotel and posted this most wanted. In fact, just watch how far these people went just to read it. They posted it in my hotel.
Okay, now,
get on, remove one somebody now. Okay, baby. Okay, I had to go here. Now watch how they went to my hotel all over Owerri. My hotel. This bitch took order from this woman. PJ, I'm coming for you. Wait for me. You will answer me. You answer me. Look at how they went to my hotel and posted this. Wait, watch. This is along everywhere. Now my hotel. They posted it. Don't worry. Do you know how much? Do you know I'm going to destroy Remo? Now my business. Do you know how many damage? Do you know the damages you made to my business, PJ? Do you know how the billions that I missed because of this most wanted? People left my business premises because of you guys. Because of you. You targeted where I built my business and went and posted it. Watch.
Okay. Because she has nothing. What do you mean like this? She has nothing.
Chasha, go ahead. No, go ahead. Sharon, unmute yourself. In on unmute.
Okay.
And go ahead.
Morning. Anom ne muna malaya no ne ku before ma hu ne no life.
Okay,
because Jola no why I see agini mere organ who court today.
So Maryam Justice, who court to gonna chacha.
Why that as I'm talking to you now, they are in court waiting for her.
Go to court.
She come to court. So in Chorine Mewu just Mado Batagi made that person arrest. You don't want to go join no yasia. And then John yasia Kedi Ojiwo Pusha number yanine na WhatsApp. If you let me now tell you why you're robber. Let me tell you, you removed all your number from WhatsApp. Go to your Facebook Messenger. They sent you all the whole invitation. So you cannot tell us that you did not see it.
Apa PJ confirm
even let me tell you why you're robber. Thank you for making us know that this is how it
works.
We have learned. I am not the icon. Anybody who is Zuzu. I follow you the way you've taught us.
Yes.
I know now you'll be disappointed that that thing where we don't.
You don't know him.
That connection where you know. You don't.
Connection.
You don't carry our leg. Go get that.
She no gets.
Didn't you come to court today? As I'm talking to you, they are in court waiting for you. Why didn't you come? You don't want to go to court. You don't want to go to court. You don't want to go and tell them what I give. You don't want to tell them what. You don't want to carry your evidence, or you don't have evidence. You want evidence. Why did you remove all your numbers now? WhatsApp. Why did you? Okay, the marriage send that I give first this thing immediately. Piam, give open your number now. WhatsApp. I got in a WhatsApp. I say invite on WhatsApp. You are no more on WhatsApp.
Okay.
You're not in a WhatsApp. Why didn't you go to court? As I'm talking to you, they are still in court.
Okay.
They are still waiting.
Okay.
The case will now today they won't do the case. That actually may hearing. They want to do the case of Monagi today.
Okay.
Because judges are going on strike July.
Yes. July, yeah, not but on September.
Why didn't you go to court today? Secondly, You a witch. So what you want to do is Madu Bataki, this your illegal.
Yes.
I'm getting on a post to very dark man. You are talking about
which is very dark man.
It is you are the type of people that corrupt, that is corrupting Nigeria. Okay, one. Now you be the people who they talk about. People in and out, very dark man. Very dark man cannot mingle with somebody like you because the very dark man hates intimidation. Giwa. Now people like you, now in the fight against. You don't, you bala very dark man. When you baby, your page is dead. Come on, go wait. My mom, I just wake up. I want dress my picking for school. Can't ban me moto. Make I come be a bejag. Igelangoba. Have you Azungoba just down? If you see, if you know, you never Ngobo jazz out. My baby, oh Bobomo. Hi, why did you name like the or jazz? Hey!
Matters are rising.
Chacha, somebody will gazette you. Can you hear a package with your cherry?
Go to when Melissa Cherry, you go to Asigi, go and tell them we hate you. Go and bring your evidence where I bullied you. Go and just
exactly.
Just it out. Wait, make I enter car. Chomo, my mom they sleep. Make I enter motor. Okay. I quick I know ya. I know me,
baby.
45 minutes.
Baby, I know me.
They are waiting for you. They are waiting for you. They are waiting for you.
You got caught. You got caught.
You don't want to go to court.
It's too much.
You don't want to go to court. Give him a return. He got caught. He me why bata. Your target.
You arrest us. Put your people on social media.
Target is now we drew you. Or I meregi. Once you see somebody that is doing
that's it. That's it.
Yeah, why don't you want in a check abata? You may your illegal arrest. You okay? You ready? Go and get ready. I'm coming. You go and do your illegal arrest. On each or my
Gazette, you do no buga.
Wicked human being. Who they come? Who call you for saga?
No, nobody.
Who call you? The day say what I like to I share more wine. No be me and Ogechi fight. No be we.
You know be with the talk now.
We fight who they settle. They fight.
Mona Sharon is your phobala. Sharon from my maternal home. I gave one.
Who called you? Who called you? Why didn't you go to court today? Why you no go court? Igagagide court. Igagagide case.
Oh.
You go there.
Peter, are you ready for me? Are you ready for me? Are you ready to get a one?
Make a balani me.
Congratulations, Chacha Stone.
My baby. Jaladin.
Jaladin that took friendship away.
All of us they do our thing. Why you bara? Now here you did. Ogechi neti bleacher. I mecha ayaga kwa settle kwa. Geburu ikegi na.
Yeah, first time Mona Sharon no peace. I never had no peace before.
Carry yourself, come meet us. You are coming to fight. You know who these people known as social media, Edo people. Why are you not getting justice?
I don't know.
Why are you not going to get justice for them? Did I share all their saga to you? Why are you not getting justice? In a target to Igbo women that are doing good.
Doing good though. On a hear that too way free.
Ima ihe ọ na-eme ọ ga ya na-agwa ha na interpol he na o ji wele onye Hausa na o ji wele onye
ọ na-agwa ha
aya cherenụ let me take
ịma nke ọ gwara ha na ọmụ ashia ọ galaga gbalo ya na ọmụ ashiara ọtọ ya na ọmụ wepụtara ọtọ ya na
okay ihe ọkị na ahụ ị ga-ebupụta proof of everything
ọmakwanụ she don't know Adabuja you don't know.
In Agada, they told you fight your own case. Stop joining people's case. Stop
joining
on your shinwa.
Used Mirabel.
They asked you.
She used people.
Bring your own. They are not talking about other people's own. They are talking about your own. You don't even have anything. You want any tangible.
No evidence. Nothing.
You don't have any tangible evidence. You can see this person did to you, just jealous, out of jealousy. Out of jealousy. Why are you not in court today? Why? Give me Mary. What in they play? Oswald. Wait, make her go. Make her go dress like. Make her enter motor. Okay, come ban me.
No problem. I'm not going to
Okay, to start first, congratulations.
Thank you, Nebo. We won.
I say I live Ogechi. People will hear me witness when I told her, make genuine peace with Oge. Oge will help you, promote you. I told her this thing. And Oge made that peace so many. Make sure you good genuine peace. I even told you that I stand with you that evening. Master Goge, I stand with you on this that's how Hausa where you say we too we must marry Hausa. We go marry that.
We go marry and date them. Young after
that place where your leg day, our leg.
We go reach out.
Oh, I
go marry Hausa.
Like we must.
I go marry him for Saga.
See, I go marry four.
7 self I go marry.
That Hausa. 4. So that connection where you get will go follow you get and no let you marry Hausa. No let you marry Hausa. You only need you Hausa, make you for the intimidators. We go follow you marry that Hausa. We go follow you marry that Hausa as well. Why you no go court? Hey God. Wait, you never hear Ngoba.
Even Sharon, I told her me about herself. She called towards it herself. Oh my God, I be so bioma, but I did not call you. I don't know the idiot to dog.
So she no go to my name.
Go where?
Sharon, no, you
oh, now yellow see go.
She was complaining that Oge support here last time.
We no go get leg, we no go get mouth. We no go get just is in a mega.
I took him the video man he put the reject. I told people how you take laws into your hands.
How far you're wanted? Come now, how far you're wanted? How you wanted? Oswald. And they come. We can go dress children up first.
Cheap a lot, continue. Opola. Or they can network or couple girl.
Chacha, because be alive. Over 30 minutes.
Oh, na piano na. Ah, listen.
Am I talking to you?
Oh, na piano.
Don't eat you. Face what is you. Don't call me. Did I call your name? Did I call your name? I told you I could all home game. Gazette and intimidation.
To
close your Aramara case. Everybody there saga they do they go look at a marry you or yourself a married woman when you can talagi phone make you know they share a married woman. What is a married woman doing with a married only? Even single people where they never nail her you where you call yourself
celebrate gift. Celebrate a gift.
On social media. All these people where they nail her man they can talagi phone man they can talagi perfume before. Do you know them before? Is it not in saga you know them? So this is what you came to look for. Oh yeah, keep your rich on a saga. Wait, my mama they sleep. Make her go enter moto. Make her come. You go here. Make you hear. My bobo. Hey. Wait, see as you little fish. Check them. Onye na akpọ nwoke nọ na di ihere me ọchị atọ ncheck them. They say if you can't get everybody will come hide, can't run, can't leave you. You know that is not the way. You cannot. Let me tell you, that is not the way to shut people up. That is not the way. That is not the way. Check them. That without your nose will be like everything that they call her go nose like person pig. Do nose. Why you no go court today? Come na juke. Why you no go court? Everything I dey ask you. Why you no go court? You no want go court. You no want go court, but you just want me to arrest somebody. May they come praise you. May they come praise you. Hey, you don't do them. You don't see how this your last gazette be like this thing. I don't tell you say for my side no level. I don't be celebrating nobody. No counter fire here for my side. I know be no get you be celebrating. They know even I don't go by like 4 times so come back. Where you did the Zuzuari. Come on, fuck off. They come. You know this saga. You don't each full and being a send the remove school and go in a you know they may hey lang go see hey lay go lem go see then give you bill debt where you owe for your picking school fees. You carry the paper they give me make I show say see what they pay. Fake life won't kill you. Fake life won't kill you. See how much they pay for school fees. You don't forget all your videos they cut. I show them even where they show count money where they saga they count money. Everything. Then they hold on for court. Then they wait for you. They say, "May you come tell us. Come tell us." They go carry people evidence. People we no big rubbish.
No, we no consign them.
We no consign you.
We no consign them.
We no consign you. Lodo rapata. Did they tell you that is how it works? All man to his own thread. Bring your own. Leave other people own. If one you shinwa get money, may she do her case.
Simple.
Come. Bring your own.
That one go face her own dance soon.
I maybe anybody is say Ginaya we did. You know no say you don't cast this woman come. You know come. You know no say you no we know nobody value you again. All this I don't know what you come on fucking wake up from your slumber. Okay, we make her go enter motor. My voice no loud.
I'm here. Hey Ben Gaga day here. Guys, so now let me tell all of you. I know you guys are well learned because I know my followers are way profound. They are intelligent.
Okay, you take out saga. If you go from maybe in it is for saga not as now. I call black key go on toto.
No, okay.
Black.
But the thing in mepe here I am jiga
okay.
So I know my followers are well informed. They are educated. They are not stupid. If you think that what I posted is not genuine, you can go to ECOWAS. Yeah, they are this thing and go and post and go and read it. Go to their website. Take your time and read the words from A to B, word to word, and you go and look at how stupid that woman made the police look. She's the one that bringing bad name to the police people. She's the one that damaging police people reputation. Police are this in your garden. Somebody query on your guy. Declare ammonia wanted though. Declare this person wanted though. She's fighting this person. So all these fights that's been going on social media, and when they have us at those fights, who called you? Who asked you to bully me 3 good times before I replied you? Let me play your video where you opened your mouth and told the world that this woman, she did not do me wrong, go. I was the one that looked for her trouble. Guys, listen. Listen up. Watch.
Inbox. Yesterday, no, you come na my inbox. Now I'm just so Ogechi, sorry. What is sorry? It's one of my sorry. Give me a message. Only I see this sorry. Ibera Koya 1, Koya 2. Otopono gone here. Ogani ni wo shisha de move. Na ide fari na fari ga mana na izida onya no omala na onwere ko ebe o esi we before my attack or whatever. But then my conscience, my body was just was just not okay, you know. So don't forget and can go. My followers, yeah, man didn't follow me, so can is just a forgotten issue. So I'm gonna happen about all this age. It's okay.
Guys, so now I did not wrong this woman. Oh. I never Futashi, okay. I am insulting you directly. Oh. Not at all. Not at all. She made first video, second video, third video. When she threatened my NGO. I don't know who she is. She just one woman that parades herself to be this, to be that. I don't know who she is. I was doing my normal thing. People that were saggering me, I was also saggering them. This woman came online, targeted me. Let me play some of the videos that she used to bully me. Watch. For those of you that don't know, pay attention. Pay attention. Kehu kamadu jano rebeya no pia kwampuramu. For those of you, don't allow anybody to intimidate you. Do not. I want as far as in there, as far as somebody to go get the video. Save for one fire back. Fire back. I tells you that for free. As far as you know, mind your lane. Somebody at all go one day, you don't know how to take 10 years. Fight it to finish. Do you know how many people gathered on social media now Facebook fought me? Over 20 pages. I stood my ground. I'm just shaking. Can my changre? Ijele. Monagige buria. Fire to fire. On your wall, see near. Get ready and get ready for those people telling you, Ogechi, when I'm evidence, I get you this. Come on, go. I'm one of my idea. I bet you, I'm going to get up. It was so. Mama, hit by Ariane. Let me show you where this woman made countless of videos against me. It was I was on my own. And when business whatsoever, I don't have business with her. She came straight attacking me. Attacking me directly. Remember, gazettes. People, let me say it again. Only on gazette, na platform. Move the verdict to Supreme Court as soon as possible. At least I wasn't aware of it. Okay. I wasn't aware of it. I'm can't you screenshot it? Don't you know what's going on? Yes, because sometimes you act like you don't know. I'm a face again.
Put everybody,
sometimes you keep acting like you don't know what's going on.
Ali, we into another dimension that I still able to everybody come up there. Okay, Mechano, come Ali, why money would be I
don't know.
I just
because no gent happen now can not be I watch off to Abuja. They're not by the guy.
Something wrong. What's going on? Go ask him. Shut up. Do the necessary.
Because you can't do this afternoon because this place is hot.
Sorry.
Just advising.
Don't mind
the point. She was just advising.
Alyssa should not even say, and I need to know what is going on.
Yeah.
I was Zukwanike.
Oh, I am getting this one.
Because happen to match on my saga material.
What I'm waiting for single my voice notes because you take
Check you bogi book bag there. I know we had him by Anna Coiri. Check you bogi bogi. Now listen, information and them checking for the channel. You're not even for okay. I'm not happy because you're not helpful today.
I'm not very in that.
Am I here now? Chana come.
If you want. If we are quick, I be actually.
I can be actually, but any dream me play, I'll be that particular one. Nah, I'm going before my be
I can. But we never finish the program. We never finish now. We're still do it tomorrow because somebody may be here now.
Emmanuel, listen, a coffee, man.
Who is tagging me on that Facebook?
Listen, a coffee. On a coffee.
I think there's no such a duplicate can come out.
Okay, lawyer knows one step. Nah, Alisa to about where? But you know, I yesterday. Alisa Bianga na koeri.
Nguba Barianishi, Nguba.
Ejibongo Babrianishi. Ejibongo Babrianishi. Ababuji Imecha case.
Postola me na my page pin
Imecha case. Iga mata tin sobu. Ihuna sobu you run away.
Okay.
Tobari Desi Empire Kachari Payam one man from another mother.
Epinela make a Scott website. I want official.
Oh no, Diana had you going. Is that
okay? The publication, maybe on 25th, is all the latest publication now today, early morning. So that on my page.
And in a Zoom watch ya the validity.
In the comment section.
Let me balagi Desi. Anoma, Alisa watched it. I watched it. My lawyer was there. Paka iji no neke na Zoom. I did back up.
Online. Oh, Saga talk. Yeah, we hear she from court. ECOWAS, I will give local government office.
Okay, Vicky, what the verdict said. Please, your bingos are asking you what did the verdict said. Over.
What did the verdict said? Oma, open your phone and read it. Read it loud.
Just go.
You can read it.
Oh, we know the one Abuja over the
Even I share the link in my page, you can also go to my page and read it. I'm ready for everybody today. By force. It was Abraham, Joseph, come out, go in, read it like that. Read the verdict. Read it. Read it. We will understand. Desi, because Desi, can you read it for us? We want to listen.
Thank you.
Goya, my baby.
Oh, yes.
My baby.
Community. At least I saw no deals on my friend. I'm talking.
Shut up, every shut up. Shut on her up also.
ECOWAS court finds Nigeria. Nigeria. Nigeria.
I'm there for her. Her own is coming.
Violated rights to presumption of innocence and human dignity through police wanted notice. This is the headline. Okay? The Community Court of Justice, ECOWAS, has delivered its judgment in case number so concerning alleged violations of rights to presumption of innocence and human dignity of a Nigerian woman declared wanted in a publication over alleged criminal offenses. The court found that the notice improperly portrayed the applicant as having committed criminal offenses before any judicial determination of guilt and awarded her 1 million in compensation. The applicant, Ogechi Njaka, a Nigerian resident in the United States of America who runs an NGO and a matchmaking program on Facebook, alleged that she became the target of defamatory attacks and a criminal complaint after reporting an individual for the defamatory social media posts. According to her, a complaint lodged by one Maryam led to a security agency of Nigeria declaring her wanted and obtaining a warrant for her arrest without first notifying her of the complaints. The applicant argued that the publication of notice violated her fundamental human rights, specifically her rights to be presumed innocent, right to human dignity, right to equality before the law, and her right to be informed of criminal charges against her. Okay? The respondent state, that is Nigerian police or Nigeria, submitted that several attempts had been made to invite the applicants for questioning, but she failed to honor those invitations. The respondents further argued that the security agency lawfully obtained an arrest order from the Federal High Court before issuing the wanted notice.
Unintelligent criminal, I will block you with this your not so ebook or whatever you call yourself. If you comment again, just be still and go to that your platform and narrate it to your stack illiterates. Don't use this your fake account again to comment rubbish here again. Chineka Pogonu. Continue. Here. Go there and describe it to them. We don't want to hear your own description.
Court findings. The court affirmed its jurisdiction to hear the matter and declared the application admissible.
Okay.
Noting that the applicant had sufficiently established her status as an alleged victim of human rights violations and that the matter was not pending before any other international court. On the merits, the court examined 4 claims relating to the presumption of innocence, dignity, equality before the law, and the right to be informed of the criminal charges. Regarding the applicant's right to presumption of innocence, the court observed that the notice published by the security agency stated that the applicant was wanted for offenses which she had committed through various social media platforms. The court held that the wordings of the notice went beyond presenting the applicant as a subject and instead portrayed her as a guilty of criminal offenses before any trial or conviction. The court therefore found a violation of her right to be presumed innocent under Article 7(1)(b) of the African Charter of Human and People's Rights of Article 14(2) of the International Covenant of Civil and Political Rights. The court further held that publicly portraying an individual as having committed criminal offenses before a judicial determination is guilt exposed that person to stigma, humiliation, social exclusion, and reputational harm. Accordingly, it found that the publication of the notice also violated the applicant's rights to human dignity under Article 5 of the African Charter. However, the court rejected the claim relating to equality before the law, finding that the applicant had not produced evidence showing that she had been treated differently from other persons in similar circumstances. So, Kamgana court decision, okay? Applicants, Ogechi. The court declared that the respondent violated the applicant's rights to the presumption of innocence and human dignity, but found no violation of her right to equity before the law or to be informed of criminal charges. Accordingly, the court ordered the Federal Republic of Nigeria to remove the notice declaring the applicant wanted from the bulletin of the Nigerian police force and from any other medium where it had been published.
Okay.
Publish the judgment. The second one is publish the judgment in its official gazette and on the website of the Nigerian police force for a period of 6 months. Pay the applicant 1 million naira as compensation for the violations established by the court and dismissed all other claims. The judicial panel was composed of Honorable Justice Sangu Mohammed, presiding, Justice Dukbe Atoki, member, and Justice Edward Asante, judge repertoire. So, una no layama.
Because the judgment.
Unintelligent criminal, maybe I'm with that to your fake account again, or swan that your poverty. Run that to your come and go to your platform and start brainwashing those bastards. Chineka Bogo.
Intelligent fool.
Oh, come on, continue to go and brainwash those your stack illiterates. What did you dream what to do now? You wanted the audacity to come here. Chineke Bogo. Come on, go to your platform and use and brainwash them like you normally brainwash them also. Chineka Bogo. Come on, get your misery broadcast bitch out of here. Idiot oh, soon they don't you know that I know how you write is how you talk? Come on, fuck off from here, also. Chineke Bogo.
Simple.
And I bet on people come see saying to where he might go. He choke you. Are you not the one that told them that it's nothing like ECOWAS courts? Are you not the same idiot that told them that it's nothing like ECOWAS courts? Are you not the one? Somebody Zaga George 1 million is too small. Even you should 1 million now take 1 billion even the police know. And I'm the police in Nigeria. You dare not. Oh, you know what? An individual like me and nobody. They are where the whole Nigerian police is. And what even it's awful. I didn't surprise you with a hand anymore.
Police, Interpol, because all have published that thing. International police, Nigerian police. Now, how guy everywhere have published that gazette. Ogechi wanted on their sites everywhere. Pull lawyer down. Number one.
Good.
Secondly, they should publish this judgment on all their official websites to counter that thing. Illegal publication without informing Ogechi, the applicant, before making that declaring her wanted, because she's not hiding and she did not commit. They did not see any criminal offense she committed. That's what this judgment says.
There's something that happened in the Gazette. I check
the third one is that they will pay her compensation of 1 million naira. And the Gazette should follow Ogechi's method and take them to court. It's as simple as that. Oh no, like I said,
now 1 million they
criminal. Go to court.
Why 1 million? I only know get
No. I'm not going to police.
1 million pempe.
1 million pempe too much. I mean, the who's like this thing. Oh no, what
hey!
No, got your the Nigerian police. I got even forgiving the one is.
Okay,
money is not even the board of contention here. In our water. In our water.
What everything? Even without money to clear her name alone.
Cannot be this stupid. How we can look at our Madina Gazette post in a public space without.
This thing o tira. Afọ kwara kemo.
Emana Sharon with a court case today with that idiot Obiaha.
Yes.
Do you know that she did not show up?
Ojeho.
Sharon, I think 2 days ago, the court case will turn. Sharon, mark my word, this woman will not show up. She will not show up.
Amusu. Wa daka wanchi. Wa oda. Imi oho. Imi oho. Adaka wanchi wela photom. Of all the whole people can go saga. Ya ru photom ki chuzo jije mebe sandali. Odun nne gi gbawa akwa sandrali. Sandrali odun nne gi gbawa akwa.
Ugo bebe. Eno kwa na ile chenguba.
Ale che ya.
Anyị na-eche ngụgba na achọrọ ịkpọrọ anyị ngụgba. Nchekwube m. Achọrọ ịkpọ ya akpọ.
Ndị ole chọrọ ịkpọ ya?
Sharon is coming soon here now. Sharon is coming soon.
Ndị ekpesi ịkpọrọ ya. Ọ ga-akọzu akụkọ a.
Adib, anaghị gazette anybody in Nigeria. Ọ ga-akwụsị the consequences is brutal than gazettes. Ọmọdé ihe na-eche ya. The woman go me like this. Okay, worship by follow by the law. Okay, no by the law. Anya na-egbu mmadụ. We know the pay anybody. Anya na-egbu mmadụ. We know the pay anybody. I'm not in that circle. But the law must take its course.
That lady amari.
Because Sharon get the foot to my own space that area.
No, ya bịa ha na she will come out.
Alessa go bo bahola.
Alessa go.
Alessa na miare. Congratulations to all of us and the future people and people that will come up too. Do not allow nobody to intimidate you. As far as the name no. Let me clap for you guys who no deserve for you.
Do trumpet.
You want to do? Don't allow anyone name on your rights. All of you should feel it takes time. It tarries, but the truth it will surely come to pass.
Okay, congrats, my darling sister. Congrats.
Ugabe give people subdue room at this thing. I happy in Ogechi.
From nowhere. God, I pay more than 12 to 15 pages now.
Congrats.
More lawsuits are coming.
Yes.
Even when the import room was wanted, go and PJ Fashion. I just look you, they laugh. They can't hit. You got to get that hose or get that hose to save you. She not go see road to save you.
Mama, I was there PJ Fashion, but where PJ Tokumbo. I Tokumbo can pick in the island.
On your shinwa, Iga no Tanya. This one took 4 years or 5 years. When I tell you something is playing. Watch and see. Nobody in my ear want to quick results.
Okay.
It takes time.
People that we are with you inside that someone for years, all of a sudden they turned around to tell the people lies about you.
Turn around. That was all the surprise. Turn around.
Very bold. They
know. They know.
Mama, two of them were the worst enemy of Ogechi one.
They know just jealousy and envy, nothing more. Jealousy, envy, nothing more, nothing less.
Jealousy.
And when him mama in the house.
Jealousy.
Where you come on?
Oh, jealousy.
And then I have to work again as anything.
Ibra have property Ogula.
Because you remember a lot of things on social media. Ogechi's experience.
This idiot I got at my hotel. Gagba her post. Oh. All the social media everyone who put this thing, go and remove it. Go and remove it. When you this thing, Ocean and get post we have 6 months now their platform. 6 good months. 6 good months.
I try to post piano wall. You piano wall.
6 good months. Emma Baby Tommy na wall, go and remove it. I don't make you put out gaya gana.
I don't know. Check out like
What tell me? Lawsuit agara. Only tell me make you go because I tell my home on Facebook. Any tell me make you go. Yes. Emma Baby Tommy this thing go and remove it.
Well, son, I work because
Emma Baby Tommy go and remove it now.
Oh, this wanted this thing Kahaji claim money NGO from 500 million.
Yes.
In fact, I can go privately because that 500 million case any erase here.
Banon. Aye.
Yes, so.
Aye.
Yes, so.
Aye.
Yes, so.
Ne.
No, Dom.
Yo wola nero ko ga ju oyi. It may take time, but don't bag no ga ju yo ga ju.
And then fortunate, yeah, be agane.
Fortunate I was na me out the that day get the thing. Fortunate I shall publish it. I got publish it time or wait. What I go share as soon as I publish it, yeah, I will make the video. Share, don't worry. Fortunate share yes.
Hey.
Share yes. Emana these people were a channel. Eba shnam poro na be who do you go. No wala majiri mo na present na Coas court.
Wonya ara mad person.
Actually, me with her hand in the letter. Show Ogechi, don't give her. Ogechi is the problem. They wrote to Imapa pom. See, Ugebenaji put on the Chichineke Negiki Hebrew grace.
Telling you.
And when anybody that's speaking for me, I just made the right thing. Gaia in a. I took time. Here where the divided so good name. Am I going wish? Am I not somebody step here? Naga going. Yeah, we're going to reward the more. All people. All people. Even half what the money carry they go to push in.
Congratulations, Ogechi again. No.
He got the shop too.
He came late. How much are they since now?
Things happened. Even they are shocked that they didn't remain. The money is not the bone of contention here. And when you can't say G to all these bloggers because some more I'm there, one nigga come and I'm gonna go. Japan a page, Daddy Buffito.
Okay, say every page.
Japan a page, get Jerry Buffo, yeah. I spent a man bag.
Anyway, for the
video. All of here. Don't say you did not listen, oh. Hey, the video. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Ogechi Kwesiri make an official statement. There in a page, you see on your blood down that.
Post what me here go and see there. The guy shouldn't
I am they are a page too.
I'm a post from this thing on my page. Pin here.
Between today and the Friday.
Yes.
An official.
I'm a yes. I got draft to ya. I give a post to where
Yeah. That's better.
Post over to any platform that I'm related to.
From Nati weekend, from one donor like
Also, Atara.
From between now and Monday.
Okay, so why you Abuja? I got a court today.
I'll get a court to town. Thank you, my love, darling. Thank you. Congratulations to all of us. Congratulations to all of us, all of you that stood by me, believed in me. All of you that stood by me, believed in me. Thank you all. Thank you all. You guys are the men VVIP.
Who is that? Request if you love.
Oh, if you love, Augie. Please, I can have a boss on Mado. Jennifer can with a boss. Oh, we'll get somebody already. Nah, Sharon when I can.
Sharon, when I can't go
Sharon stone. Every hell out
see. After the account, when something, recognize voice.
Yes. No, God forbid. I don't mind.
I think that's but no young because who know I did see me yes no young.
And when that time, and I'm got platform to
Thank you, my people. We did it. We don't give up. But you
need just to watch. Now, why you rubber?
preach on.
Why you rubber? Did you tell them now court and you go that? You're going to put order to go and remove that gazette. Why are you not giving these people updates? Or you want us to jazz it out? Cool down.
Okay, now.
Everything is official.
Did you tell them? Okay, now. On that day, everything is there. Chillax.
Power!
Shabi, you say, well, Robert, I can see more gazette is coming. More gazette is coming. This will be your last gazette.
It will be her last.
One gazette.
She can't gazette anybody anymore.
You can make it so. Listen, what you gonna do case?
More cases are coming.
We need to put this. We want to know who they help you to.
Who they help you in that Interpol? That's what we want to know.
I'm telling you.
This is the end of it. This is the end.
This will be your last gazette. It will be your last gazette. He said, oh, more gazette are coming. Onyeko, you go gazette, Onyeko, because gazette are Wolagi. What? That's all Wolagi. It was something to do just to tarnish people's
image.
Just to tarnish people's image. Why are you not in court? Why are you not giving them updates? Why are you not telling them that this, that, see as they play? They don't do this. Why are you not giving them updates? You go and have that court and you go there. See how work with that thing. Did you tell them? Okay. You don't want to tell them. You don't want to tell them. No worry. You don't need to tell them. Everything go they play, go they see. Chillax. Chill. Ogechi, they show you own. You don't tell them how much I flog you. I'll be queen of suing now. You don't know. They don't tell you. Ask them now. When dog bites me here, you don't tell them how much I flog them, where they pay me. You go tell them how much I sue you. They put person for Madu May one give Pierre Madu Gazette because you get connection.
Heartless bitch.
Because you
will short to everybody up.
Marry them mad till the dates. You a bully. And or maybe now see. Hey, anybody wait that PJ, wait do PJ anything.
Oh, that who me with that one again because she never see road.
Like a lunatic.
She don't know what is about to play.
Like a idiot. Have you seen the way Ima? I see how do they speak that thing? You see the way you do that picking because no be you born. Did you watch the video you posted yesterday? Mama, because did you watch the video you posted yesterday? How that baby open yash?
Jesus
again.
How
that baby? You didn't watch it?
Again.
You don't watch it. I don't watch it. No. Go and watch it.
No.
Not because of maybe you born them. If now you born them, you will know how to treat. Go and as I'm talking to you, go to her page. The page is there. See the way you allow that man they hold that pikin. See the way the girl open her leg. Go and watch it. I was watching that video you posted yesterday of that little child. You can't even cover her legs or her private piam outside.
I'm telling you. Watch the girl tweak. Yeah, for their panty like this.
It's not working. Just go and watch the last video post through. Don't go and delete it. It's already recorded. It's already recorded.
I'm telling you, abuse Omega that girl. Abuse omega that girl.
How you are abusing that child?
Ashim to PJ, Moge, he Abuja any straight to save you. Because her own is even too much.
Video. Go, as I'm talking to you people, go and watch it. See how the girl open pants, her white pants, they show. PJ, Ichetare Shikora na page auto Google, Simo, hey, what to Google Bagagino Jotto one more. What on our weights? Case they come, everybody go collect.
Sharon, they don't know.
I know, you go hold all those things. I know.
Everybody go call. You don't forget when you call. Where is the autos? I'm yet to see the autos. But look at autos. Autos for women and adults is jazzing out freely for us.
Okay.
Go and watch the video. You go make video finish. You cannot edit. All because social media validation. You want to prove points. You want to prove points. You cannot wait to show. All these things you are doing is rubbish, PJ. Anything where person value, you know they do them anyhow.
It's true.
At all.
You know value that.
At all. You can preserve for ya.
You get anybody where that picking better pass for all our.
For a better not a who feature ya, or who guarantee ya, or who anything.
Look at how that picking open leg you carry out. You don't even say make I use emoji cover that part. Go and watch it. It's still there. Go and watch it. The girl, everything show. Oh, fucking hell. Okay, go and watch it. I won't go post through. Yesterday, go post through that one. Go and see the way that man was touching the girl's breast.
I'm telling you.
Go and watch it.
I watch Elamia. I downloaded it.
Okay. Chief, a small girl like that, they call man Chief. Hey, PJ,
oh my
shame and disgrace. A shame and disgrace. For your mind, PJ, social media doesn't forget. You see the way I don't save that video. Don't be surprised in 10 years time that video go jazz out. See the way you open, you know if you say you edit that video.
That girl, she shake her pull panty. What do I put your post on a platform?
It is there. It's there. Help us read yesterday. White pants, white, they show. Oswald, now you justice for princess. What other justice do you want to give that girl apart from that thing you did to her yesterday? What other justice will that girl get? Look at how you open her nyash. You cannot, mommy. You all say, mommy, can't you even cover it?
But what a creator PJ.
Can't you cover it?
Especially Boshibia.
Zuzuma. Zuzuma. Just because you want proof to people say, hey, you know Chief Pikin. You won't know she. Wait, will they come? One after the other. When you're robber, they tell you, may you not answer your case. We send you, they tell you not answer. But she didn't answer her own, no. She didn't answer her own for back. She didn't answer her own for back. And you know what it means when you don't reply? They give them. Anna Koeri. You don't cast. Nobody they see you. Did you see how you sound? You don't forget that time when we say when Ogechi dancer, you put our life like you're gonna something 1 point. You don't see the way.
There are 6.
You don't see how your page be. You don't enter from very dark man, no tanta, no fire.
Which is very dark man?
No, you don't cast. Nobody.
Which is very dark man? That very dark man, me home a besa for or get that choco on ya.
Nobody they see you.
A woman that is so
very dark man. So you love very dark man, but you love intimidation. You love very dark man, but you love to intimidate people.
You love and you love to intimidate people. If they can't tell us, say anybody wait do. You think anybody see they value you? Nobody they value you again. You are now valueless. Hachago can break out, but you don't get style anymore. You don't get level.
She don't cast. She don't cast.
Why are you not in court?
Joya.
I thought you said you want justice. Or what kind of justice do you want?
Chacha, Papa, you be the court, no. Papa, you be the court. Papa, you be the court.
Okay, 3/4. Okay, baby.
Because
October, I'm jazzing in your
My baby is coming to Texas. My baby is jazzing to Texas.
You remember when you wanted to pepper your bingos according to what you call them? Hey, nigga, be a birthday, okay? Nigga, go drink. Hey, my lawyer is calling me. Hey, when I went, my lawyer.
My dear. Then with a responsible lawyer. And again, guys, my lawyer is coming to break everything down on my platform. The lawyer that pursued this case, and the other one and the things that's about to unveil. That he had. So I don't know what is bothering you. Nigerian. One day, are you ready to come and hear? I can be host to you. Tell me, I will host you. You reach out to somebody you will talk to. Ya no go on the 5 and 6.
Okay, let me get job. Oh, I got one a call.
No, I got join the TikTok live.
You want him to be up to be known?
Yes, of course, always on social media now. Why not?
He needs to be known.
Barrister page, remember this post now, say Anti-Desi Empire is barrister, so you forgot me.
Yeah. So he will come, he's a social media barrister. How many times I better share happen? One intelligent criminal on a record all the time you went to him. If you don't know. He will penetrate. So they have known you very well. So on your name, they went there, get you this, or get you that. And just act like we are having an issue. And I acted. I hate you, unintelligent criminal. I hate you with passion. You claim to be intelligent, but a stark illiterate was busy using you.
Okay. Huh? Because I need help now. Hey, why are the robber claim na court or court? But he say no. When who the court this thing? So now, has in any the account who get send here to her? Because which account can you can use the one you have got in my account now? This you can use the one your account send that liar.
Oh, the invitation. Don't have many accounts. Okay, because I know she's watching me here. Send the Aramian on my WhatsApp.
I will send it to her.
Our lawyer. I sent lawyer to him. The lawyer I get relate to him.
Always now. That's what it's
lawyer not there.
Lawyer, number lawyer, and you get their address.
Lawyer not there. Forward lawyer more than 5 times. So lawyer guys say. He said email lawyer.
And the email you get what put up online because on a follow page. Email ya. Get what put up online because on a follow page.
On a follow on here.
Yes. On a follow everyone on the, even your follow your on a follow ya. Give me again what put online. She I have sent it to your lawyer. You want to keep up that lawyer.
You don't want go.
Sharon, listen to me. You want to keep what that lawyer. Record lawyer. She saw it. I want your show. I want your show.
Report.
You don't want go. You want to conjact na lie yo. You want to conjact na.
So
go get justice.
Kake
say be once and for all.
Be
once and for all.
Sharon, send it to me. I will send it to her too.
Let them find me if you are if period.
Sharon, send the Aramu ya come say, come she kwagi na me send the ala ya ho. Send the Aramu ya I will say send it to her.
I go send them to you now.
Send the ya no. Again what they are. Yeah, what the no.
I will look for a page, I will send it to you. Doesn't matter who sent it, as long as you got it.
Amatoranya send the Rian.
You know one go court.
You know one come court.
Too quick, I should have case up, yeah.
And the other says so.
I got it now. Send it to me, baby. Don't wear it home. Don't wear it home. She must come court. Onya cannot be.
Mama, why you be here and see no like it?
I many outside Abuja now. Oh, it's an enemy Abuja. And I do ya east than Abuja. Oga bala lawyer ticket. Bala ya flights. Do we in a hotel? You know what? He don't understand the strategy. If she would drag me from him, I wouldn't have been property in Abuja. Karine mean so. Because I want to in Abuja. You want to go? So what about people? So why would you adore people? I got Doria J East.
Okay, Libo. I will get the court.
Doria, also even be some major me. Yes. Okay, provide the money, sponsor these lawyers. That's what she did to people for no reason. Okay, baby, only in it is for billion.
I'm telling you, my mother.
Your mother. I'm
telling you,
Gianna for me.
Tandrari, Gialami, my mother.
Jin, get us to Suyan busy.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay. Court and you go order. On court and you go order that they should post it every platform for her to see it.
Name platform, one they follow me very well. Nyami can post I will post it on my platform, tag your picture,
Yes, every platform. Because she is claiming that she
I'm a post to ya, I tag ya, on a watch a platform, platform Alisa. Alice, he post I got tag ya there. What they was what time?
Everybody post my comment section here everywhere.
Nyemi yourself come
Everybody post it. You go see them.
Sharon, you're wasting time. Send the Aramu ya.
Send the Aram memo block.
Send the Aram your small. Guys, whatever my comment section ya, they post ya. They post ya. Now, if people share a comment section, get screen record wire.
Okay. I can make a PJ now. I'm a one block or you dele.
Yes. All of them. More intelligent criminals send the wire here, my madam. Everywhere. Yeah. I'm going to what you got to all I even I'm going to watch out more pussy up there. What you post or up there? Janu dear, I know the post or up there. Jaya can say in a comment section here. Run, we put a run again. Yaron, Yaba Mandeno. Yaron, Yaba, Apranga, Yabala.
This one will go. She, yeah, we know to what
is click? What is going on? Many things is going on right now. Many things is gonna play.
Very sensitive. Just now, that in Boga direct no ga be your platform.
Okay.
To other educate some people.
Yes.
Okay.
About law.
Yes.
Somebody they see where or imago.
Okay.
Untangle herself from many things.
No ga nobody more ready.
Okay.
Because all the platform. Please, on go back from Monday. Okay. Come on, give naga for me so give them I got arele. I won't go back everywhere. Oh, honey.
We know we're going to use the box. Before use the box.
In a young one on 80. It will not one one. It won't one. It won't one one. Now to up one go.
Elder.
Hey, on the TikTok never strike. Yes, my baby. Yes, my baby. Oh, yeah, somehow anyhow. Yes, I'm for now.
Hey. But this is man. Yes, so
it's our day.
It's our day.
But don't God each my mother. No, that
is too small to save her. She doesn't know. She doesn't know.
I won't know on what they might. One about you let yet on your Facebook. One about how you could I get time I did. We are near Ponga. Near Ponga.
If that is case, it could go to our
hey, platform Nina put out today. Oh, Ogechi, we told you. Ogechi, we told you. Ogechi, we told you. You will keep losing. Unintelligent criminal. Mahu Kenina, Nemeka Gara. We won the fundamental right. We did this and we did this. Unintelligent criminal. I say, open your.
Ije me publication na TV na Nigeria, Ego News, Ibuya na News.
Ego
leke on course, Ije.
Yes, I perceive. Yes,
I don't really know. Amamo. Oh, there's Yoku. Onega tutarame gologa koso.
TV, I got na News.
Yes.
From here, TVC, Bella as one. TVC, Lagos, Bella as well. We can get Bella from here. Yagbanyo Gilaga, Puna TVC. Unuma TVC, Ma Tunumbo, whosoever can. Bella, where's here now?
Are you serious?
Yes, so we can get that one from here. Then this guy, this banana, where are you Ogechi Jenye? We need to get him. Yeah, banana too. We need to do that too. And then our people may here go viral. And then NTM was issue. And then another one will arise. Arise. Then somebody man arise something. Mama. Arise. This three is good for us. Arise Television, TVC, and Banana.
We will do it.
Yes. Always, Arise is the best. Arise is the best. Arise is the best.
Yes.
You can get the information send their inbox or Ogechi or make somebody inform. Can you go on?
Only are aware of Arise in here because how we can reach them. Anya forward dollar will make here because it's very important.
When Ogechi arrest like this, I'm going to rotate Shikoya news everywhere.
Everywhere.
Social media. So we need to at least celebrate this in that.
Yes. Arise, Bikonu. We need that information because it's very important. Enough of all this bully from this woman. Enough of this intimidation. I took a video and Why can't I find that video? Why? You can send the video.
Content you from nowhere you start dragging the bed. It tells me. Now we never forget
it. With lies. Atakamafufu.
When Putishi can support Ogechi, tag Yagi, they will tag you. If you come out to say no, you people are lying and sticking in one shower, working and negging with a wash shower, bring out your whole family, they will drag you unnecessarily. People ran away and left Ogechi alone. She stood on her own and we gave me blood.
Nobody.
No single soul.
Nobody.
No single soul begged on her behalf. Or
Nobody.
Nobody. She stood her ground. Attack a criminal.
Who
is Ogechi Okeke Njaka? He only lend out lies, so but they put everything on the internet. And then we had the even happen that I come on our Quebec. And when they lie against you, they cannot come out to say, okay, I made a mistake or they will continue. Natani she made him mad. Who never background, who never any proper upbringing, no address, no name. And when they want address, and when they want to I'm on Facebook now, we jump up and down. It's 4 years since how many? Ogechi video here Biafras years back, more than 10 years na Facebook. Uno na basaga. Can you know achieve since uno no Ogechi onye kamma. And when he weputo uno na weputo Ogechi, none of you will see her back. The way Dr. Gochukwu bere America the other day. He's better than all of you. Uno cannot drag Ogechi. She's better, far better. No long one in Abuja. Go no whoever gra pick. You know you would have told the police can have video they will send their own. That's her property in Abuja. Oh, 1 naira kg where she does not have only in Abuja, all over Nigeria. What did you people achieve all these years? Wasting money,
nothing,
wasting your resources, energy.
Nothing. Idiot who should near 200 million. Idiot who na Abuja Eke got me. I should near 200 million. Idiot who na Abuja Eke got me.
Madaga putting on social media, I advertise achievements here because of you guys. Only amazing advertising home and achieve annual far puta. You people start ganging up, criminal syndicates. Criminals, what did Ogechi steal from any of you? That's the question I keep on asking individually. Come out and tell the world. I gave her $2 billion or 1 million naira, and she used it on her own instead of the public.
None of them. None of them.
With evidence.
In case to be, man, I can not do her. Where there is it, every one of you could go till today. None. Till today, no. See today,
from year to year, you people are deriving joy in tarnishing people's image. I'm amazed. A lot of people are hurt all each other's feelings through this process, you know. And they now get involved. But why can't you guys come out and say, okay, I'm sorry, I didn't know these things were lies. I involved myself. I'm taking myself out of it. I'm no longer involved in this. Move on with your life and be free. But you are still there, feeding the public with lies. Ogechi is on 500 million through which account? Nigeria where banks? Kebe she send the money. America where banks? How was it verified? Akporonwa madu dosana Nigeria. And all in line with wanted that Keta ECOWAS trash. KGC she was declared wanted, she did not come. Interpol adena harasia from Anambra Geburia. Before you know it, she has been captured. She has been this.
We have target 500 million. Now sample everywhere. Now sample everywhere.
What did you people? My question is, what did you people achieve?
No, to tarnish Ogechi's image.
And you will still continue to waste because more lawsuits will come out.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, we don't go through the law.
Come on.
She has
I got the law. Yeah. Yeah.
You go through the law.
I got the law.
All of you watch small platforms na Facebook.
Yeah.
GP Choya drag.
And when I'm not full right to gala the law. Right.
So that people will spend your own money going to help them floor. Ogechi when they not support. Ogechi when court case or put her here to donate money for her. You people should come and call for people to donate. Ogechi when he came here spend up to 1 million of her money.
Yes.
To support her to fight all her.
Yes. That's how it is.
Nonsense, useless people. Ogechi no me like this. You go. That time I was on my legs. You walk like this. How see you are the next person.
Imagine.
To gazette you. You are the next person. As in, you want to take out.
Imagine the thing. Would these fools who go on a platform that idiot hashtag look at somebody, gazette this person, gazette this person, gazette this person. Yana echo. Problem that
do you know what somebody will commit before you declare the person wanted? Do you know the kind of crime you are supposed to commit before I send a police na chogacho? Before that make publication, newspaper publication that you're wanted. It come on Facebook, you declare me wanted as Sonia. Now Nigeria is a youth. I don't know. She like Cameroon never in that country.
I'm Daisy. I got a platform ECOWAS and I got on them Kenyan verdicts. Positive verdicts.
I saw it.
Only me. Only me. Go to me yesterday. None.
Since yesterday, I told me post anything. I'm not check ECOWAS post. Oh yeah. Until my hair, even okay, make a video, a post to whom ya. Until I'm gonna ECOWAS.
Of course. Go and read it. Then you never call to Dina Croy victory. None. Oh, yeah, she. Anu Majoronia. Gikeshe throw case away. Netro case away. Netro case. Ah, the Mocanaro. Bashi. So person. So. Ah. Shagging a minute. I wasn't even thinking about the money parts.
Alex Kuba won now, a young guy. Any of you can buy at any time. Go naga. You can even mention you welcome.
I wasn't even thinking about that part at all.
Just one up and down.
Nah, maybe video made yesterday indirectly. They him the banket. She am when that post to Hannah na the official page. This morning my lawyer sent them they have posted it. Grace, is that you? Upon all the people who gather. Oneka will take it.
Apart from Grace, I can get the ocha. Let me
tell you. Come to ocha? No, Chenma Bano get chere godi. Chere godi. And when Daka had the ocha, canon and garuota. Many people, I can have the ocha. Many people, I can have the ocha. People gather there and labeled lies. Nobody. Grace no define them. If I lie, go to Suleja. Go to different prisons. Innocent people are languishing. When I tell Grace, I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. Many people I can. Many people cases that I can have the ocha. It's already one that many cases in this that was listening. How many cases they already failed one and came? I said, can you go on your wallet today? It's not gonna work.
You're right. Okay, need them to try a case on a mobi. Seriously. America arrest, Joanna Shoga Waggy. And what you go on all under a promoter for complete 2 weeks?
I know, now pin up on now and come all the time.
When I started talking with Ogechi, boy like this na phone, Oge will calm me down. Oh, you know me. Okay, with them, forget this thing. I'm resting. I'm enjoying my life here. Then I treat him like VIP. I will calm down. But even at that, I was still worried.
Who is calling me on live video?
I happiness celebrated as a woman that did not do anything to you people.
Hello, who is this?
On her own page.
Hello?
I reply that she's languishing somewhere in Nigeria. I celebrate and I go on. Well, one after the other. Let's try to court case. All of you from A to Z. From A to Z. Oh, go take it. Go to 5 years.
Oh, yes.
One after the other.
Hello, man of God. I'm live for in on a speaker.
Okay.
Man of God. I know it's smart, you know. I won't bury him, man of God. Everything now will flip. Post them everywhere. You were the right. Anybody see keep my one time and then on YouTube everywhere. I got lawsuit everywhere. They will pay me for damages. The law has given the order. You're not supposed to post any of my shit anymore.
So
Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, no. After I in the brand, don't get you. What about your ECOWAS case? Otilo. What case, Otilo? Hey, what on your boy? But grace, you found me. Oh, favor found me. I never did. I never did.
I just on a foundation office. See my wife say God to say I
I'm telling you.
Just
Man of God, you need to read their TikTok. I don't know what is holding you. Eh?
Yes, I'm gonna come.
You need to read their TikTok. Oh. They catch a man here, name and now make cabas. Gabankat.
Jesus. Hey, God.
No be small.
I'm just for point and
Man of God, the man enjoy it. I just go for point and kill him. Guys, sorry, Daisy Kue. Hello? Hello, boss. At the moment, my brother. At the moment.
You film today, yeah?
Yeah.
You last visitation.
Yes.
This is the outcome.
Yes.
Just I'm today. This is the outcome.
Yes.
The miracle be the
yes.
So the whole thing and that.
I am about people that giving will open doors. We break many protocols.
That's the effect here.
We break many protocols. People don't understand.
You see, God is on your side.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you. You know, madam, people, don't hesitate. I know what I'm saying. The effect na the very brutal. That thing each na onwe ke si eme. Mmụọ Chineke avoliri from somewhere. Ye na eme. Iche na we egwuregwu. Case adompuru ke meshi. Even lawyer mshe na yechefuna na yashi okay, whatever will happen, let it happen. All of a sudden, now the verdict and also so then everybody, two parties should come. Then Tapo no dia. They got it. Then Tapo was there. Admetone lere na Zoom. Case unram. Case yashi enye na ihe niile ka asop tu oya. God is from nowhere. Each and that visitation not just ordinary. Each and that prison visitation or what? When you don't remind what happened. People cried and prayed. Let me tell you, you know, you need to in a Bible reality in a face, whether we believe in it or not. It happens. I am saying before you give out any money, as I'm giving this is what I want you to do for me. All the very powerful. When you feed onion way cordia, when you bail people, when you knock on the door, people HF, God and do them mother. Yes, because confirm it. Naturally, put you on TV. Yes, why not? Why not? I want.
Let us know the price at the television station.
Yeah, let us know the price. I'm a million followers. But bam, because they broke they will support me.
And the TV stations,
yes, because confirm on me. I know I don't have money. My followers will not leave me behind. Yes. Hey, whatever it is, God will bring people. I get it. Yes. You know, giving I got money na enwe ego, but I need 100,000. I don't tell them I don't have money, but I managed to cover out 100K. God Hashem member, you have lifted many altars. You have lifted many altars. Thank you, baby. Confirm it. You see, no why. My dear, that one is coming. Ashim go what. Ashim because any did because all what everything will go according to law. You want to go? It's just a matter of time. Ashim get time is the best judge. And when him now go no. When you know this statement now here. Oh Ogechi. Time supersede all odds. Time is the best judgment, yeah? But time is better give here. Time better give me. And when you not can't, and when you actually let me go and appeal. Like ECOWAS court, you cannot appeal. You cannot appeal their verdicts. You want to go? Time supersede all odds. The only problem within the Interpol, they did not verify, they did not investigate properly about this monster. And
how
they did not
investigate. Oh, the same them Melende Kesharon and this and get Dr. Fortunate. Oh, how many the next one?
I'll put you my WhatsApp number now 312-912. Yeah, look at the Gazette. Yeah, Zagazigi, we won. Zagazigi, that thing is Gazette. Sorry, ECOWAS case. Go and tell that idiot, that Amusu that destroyed Google. Go and tell her. Go and tell her that, yes, that ECOWAS case has finally come to reality. Unintelligent criminal. Go and brainwash them again. Let me show them. This is the actual exactly because na platform the victory is here. Ogechi has been declared wanted. All the video come now. When you keep posting on platform, okay? I can't find that video anymore. I know it's somewhere, but I can't place my finger now. That one, Oshi. Hey, people, I want to come and show you. I want to come and show you. And she has been declared. She's now wanted by the Nigerian. That one, I will personally come for her for that. She violated my constitutional rights. She knows. She knows. Onyoshi. In that Onyoshi. You came out publicly, called me a scammer, a thief. Well, I have not stolen anything from you. Stolen anything from you? Nothing. Look at the Gazette. You because I need dream that video. Look at them. Even here post where my her fake their fake accounts layer. This was the actually Eba Hoji the thing. Eba Hoji and a player. I want to show you the evil monster that using that making Nigerian police to look stupid. That make Nigerian police to look like they are not worthy. Somewhere, somebody now to damage Nigerian police reputation. Because she's in Nigeria, we're not in Nigeria. We are her easy targets. So give Nigeria a disrupt to all your coming. Let's get up. Let's get up.
Oh yeah, no.
Frustrate again.
Oh yeah, no. Why you robber? Carry all your evidence to court. Take all your evidence. Take all your evidence. That's if you have evidence. Because I don't understand what your.
Thank you. Let me play.
Carry all your evidence to court. Stop there. You did not receive. You received everything. In your address where you give, nobody they live for the house. You carry empty.
But you should not bring an address to lawyer office here. I am the lawyer's office now.
No, other one day. Address who love there, up all from there. I got a door one empty house.
Obi dear, and down cockaboo.
Well, they fake life too much. Fake life too much for social media. Nobody. Carry it all. Don't go and be carrying people's this thing. The same people where you they call bingos.
The video you
use they get hope.
Le kwebo posuri, le kwebo jiaka ina sample the most wanted. This is where she was busy sampling it. There's the woman. Look at the woman I'm talking about. This is the woman that take order from herself. There. This is the woman that violated my constitutional rights. This is the woman, Maryam just see. She is the one that violated my constitutional rights. Look at her.
Someone that is looking for justice.
I took the video what she started this very day. I'm alleging that video. Oh, the video comes in the land ECOWAS. This particular video. Oh, the video comes in the posted my gazettes. Why no Katara Gazette? Even she described me as a man. Look at it. There. From her page. This is where she was beaten.
We are posting everything. They say post it on social media so everybody can see. Don't give us excuse.
Emo! Maryam Justice, I'm giving you 24 hours to remove anything that has to do with that gazette from your platform. I am giving you 24 hours to remove any gazette thing. If you refuse to do it, you hear from my lawyer. Remove anything that has to do with this most wanted on your platform. According to the order, remove Voya with immediate effect. I'm giving you 24 hours. Remove Voya. The same way you came on platform that day, that very day, and sampled it is the same way I'm telling you now. Go and remove it. Go and remove it. Immediately, everybody can hear my voice. And I know you follow me, you listen to me very well. I am giving you 24 hours to remove any gazette. And you and your followers, you must be removed from now to 24 hours. You remove Wole.
When the followers,
you and her bingos.
You and your low lives and bingos. Anime you 24 hours to remove any publication email on this behalf. Immediately. Immediately. Don't say I didn't warn you. Go and remove it immediately. I will not warn you again. Guys, after 24 hours, you will remove it. In a choice. You get remove here.
As now she be caught.
Now
you be caught. Now you be police. Now you be everything. Not only you there Nigeria. Not only you there Nigeria.
Remove it now. Remove
you cannot corrupt our country. Nigeria is a good place. You cannot be doing all this. No, it has to stop. A civil matter, you turn it to a criminal case.
Any of you, again, this thing we hear from me.
Civil matter, you turn it to a criminal case. And now they want to know why did you people turn it to a criminal case? Okay, they tell on wait for my own. Ogechi go ECOWAS. The ECOWAS Ogechi go. But I won't go loud. You already became loud. Wait, within 2 hours now, go post them. They say come to court. Everybody go carry on. Stop running. Come to court. Don't be only you sabi post people something. They go post your own. Also go they post your own. Maybe you go they post them. Yeah. Come to court. Come to court. Bring all your evidence. Bring it. Look at it. Look at him. He has evidence. Any way he should not do. You think Nigeria is a joke? According to you, think Nigeria is a joke? Now you go use your face, show person something. Now you go still go court. You don't know that the one when you use your face show 9
lawsuit agara very soon if they don't remove it.
Eh?
Lawsuit agara. You must remove every picture. Every platform. I'm not be the video. I'm not be because I'm not channel go and in all platforms that are publishing here. All of you should go and remove it immediately. Immediately.
Can you show me where I came out with your face to with my face to talk about you? But you use your face, your video. But you don't even know what is evidence. Come to court. Let's go to court. That's what we want. Go to court. Court not be death sentence. Now court. Now
court with the best place. Now police is your friend.
Exactly. You showed us court. Come to court. Stop looking for who will come back and you will arrest.
Hey, humiliate here. All of you that arrested me, wait for me.
We are not going to give you that opportunity.
All of you that arrested me that day, wait for me. You will hear from Ashimia. It can only take time. All of you.
That's what you can't. We can't give you such opportunity. Come, go to court. That's all we want. You have a lawyer. I have my lawyer. Our lawyers will
be going to wait for me and they come.
One
after another.
You go use your fucked up connection where you get. They mess Nigeria name up. But Putagi maker, hey, but you came out to tell us that you have connection. I have your voice where you said you have connection. You have connect. We have it. We are waiting for you because they're gonna play all those things for you. You need to tell them that your connection. You never even see something. It isn't how we put come do 360 ton. It's not about 360. Go to court. Go to court and tell them that connection you said you will use to
destroy us.
That destroy everybody. That's what they
Pretty
want
my
to
baby.
to them in court. Carry all your evidence. Carry all your evidence and go to court. That's what they want. That's what they want. Carry everything and go to court. Period. Go to court. Let them know if you have a concrete evidence for you to tell them to gazette somebody. Who cannot do gazette? You know course now. We know everything. We know every way to do it now. You have taught us. You have taught us. But we don't want to do that now. Because we want to prove to you that this is not the way. We want to show you that this is not the way. You think we don't know how you did it? I tell you, say, that thing where you know, we don't know I'm 10 times. I don't make more joy. You know why it gives me so much joy? Because I am not the now. Anybody where is Susu will collect.
No.
Anybody where is Susu will collect. It's just that Ijikwe Gogi. Do you understand? You have taught us how to do it. Do you want me to tell you how you did the gazette? We already know.
No, sure.
Go and ask that person that did that your gazette. We spoke, we and that person don't talk.
Okay.
So we already know how it works. Not even small change you pay.
No. IG need to look into what you're doing.
Stop messing the system up.
Just allow police. She just damaging the name of this entity.
Face it a civil matter. Stop doing it like it's
she just damaging this reputation of police people.
Even with that gazette, cyberbullying, it go come be like say now criminal then catch. We think it's a big deal. You think it's a big deal? Now to show them say anybody
damaging the reputation of Interpol.
See,
destroying it.
When my cousin send that gazette to me, I tell her say, make you now for you to know. Waiting him himself when they send me that gazette, waiting you go still collect for my hand. Oh, I'm gonna now talk, now mouth. Now mouth. It's not a criminal. Nobody stole anything. Nobody killed anybody.
Hey, so finally.
Yes.
Hey, so finally. Hey, now so this life today.
She go appeal now. I go on post now. She go appeal.
No, you can't. You cannot appeal ECOWAS court. There is no appeal in ECOWAS court. You cannot, Sharon, you can't appeal in ECOWAS court. It's a final judgment.
Okay.
And I may appeal. Court that supersede all Africans. And I may appeal in ECOWAS. Anna ma appeal Supreme Court. All this na court. Anna ma appeal no class.
See, go to court. That's what I'm telling you. I'm not telling you that I'm innocent. I'm not telling you are innocent. But let the court give the final say.
Simple.
God give the final judge. That's the order. That's it. Stop coming on social media to Koga as if say you Maduga. Fuck you. Nothing go play. Nothing go play. Or you make Gazette Guinea. If you do Gazette, waiting go come. Do you make Gazette Guinea? If you do Gazette, waiting can happen. Person thief, person scam person kill person. Now
My
for all on social media, that's
my followers are sending me.
It's a big deal for you. It's a big deal for you.
Now the police are
the
police. Are man to get you 1 million major aircraft, major action. At least I want 1 million.
Okay, police department.
Police is good. Now this woman is the one that destroys the reputation.
All those things can be posted.
Our police is good.
Yes, so our IG is a good man.
Our IG is a good man. Yes.
You have to be careful. No.
I've been saying it. Only my bigger police. Only my bigger partner is this woman. I've been saying it.
Messing up the judiciary system.
Yes.
She's the one that messing it up.
System for us.
Police did not. Oh, this partition. They need to know who she's using. They need to know who she's using. They need to know who she is using. Because I know that the top authority don't know who this woman is using. IG will not support this kind of mess. They will not. Something is wrong somewhere.
IG is a good man. He will not support this. The head is a good man. He will not support this.
He will not. Maybe he don't even know about this case.
Yes,
he don't know. He needs to know what's going on. If you want to read, yes. What went wrong? You hear from me. You want to go? You need to also hear from me. I can hear what you're saying. I can hear what you're saying. This place is open. You want to go? Yes. IG is a good man. Only do you know about this case? Who is behind this thing? Who is Oneko on the YouTube? Oneko on the YouTube? Oneko on the YouTube? To be targeting all these people, at least they need to hear my own side of the story. And they hear her own side of the story. Before saying, okay, I'm taking you this place. I'm doing this. Everybody now to Zira Gojo. Everybody now to Zulu Gojo. Oh, you're not putting on Oja Lume. She manu me parano again if I may ask you. What did we do? Which crime did we commit? The bio is official on your go there and read. I know you can't read. But call anybody who can interpret those legal terms for you. You want to go? One intelligent criminal go brainwash you. Go on and give hope. You want to go? Go on and give hope because I'm a coach in Susunu. I'm an unu so useless. You want to go? Let him go and use less sooner. More. There you are, on their website. There you are, ECOWAS. There you are. Then I even had Hitler picture himself. They don't post my picture. Hitler picture. Watch it. Nah, because they're gonna remember the police again. Guy, 1 million with big money. When you got 1 million get a bit of business na Nigeria. Hey, Chineke. Why didn't see this coming? She did not see it coming. Oh. Hey, Chineke. Because the take was it. Now, do you guys should remove me? Oh, Chineke, I'm one dog. ECOWAS court orders police to remove wanted notice against US-based Nigeria Ogechi Okeke Njaka, pay 1 million for rights violations. You want to go? That thing I torment Alamo. That's una wanted list. The thing tormented me. Who turned this thing? I know I'm radio. You play a radio. Asa.
I noticed that my radio, because it was not looking.
You want to go? So you guys believe no get demoralized. Me quit. She cannot bully anybody anymore. She can't. She can't. Here could harass him with this wanted. Here could bully him. Here could watch him court with this wanted. Here could tag him 500 million with this wanted. Oh, yeah, destroy him for no reason. You want to go? No, baby, your voice is too much. Baby, who is provoking you? Your voice is coming out.
Hello, I'm the Nigerian. Yes. So what's going on there? Who is the person that is there? Who's making that noise there? Why has been there?
May lose your voice, please. Oh, yeah, no. I am Madonna. A lodger in a hotel. Instead of you to concentrate in Peruvian hotel, the lodger, they're going to make carry noise. And the man of my husband, they she here now monitor him in any minute. Eh? And you go hardly get angry. Oh, I'm very surprised that he's screaming. He doesn't even raise his voice. Eh? He monitors what's going on. Hello, Jane. Oh, no, we monetize everything there. You know, make it here now. We are wise. That we have to be operating from here. Only when go raise the voice, yeah, that thing career logo does not get angry easy. It takes time for him to be in this mood. Oh, yeah, no. People are mad that people invested to people put money for investment. You know, give me a payer like this, HN or thinkable. Anyway, I don't want anything to spoil my mood today. Show me anybody spoiling my mood today. So I'm happy. I will need 1 million. You want 1 million? You want 1 million? They would have too much messages. Guys, I saw you guys' messages. I will reply you guys one after another. Ijo onye man word like this. Hey. So guys, train of the okay. Your G always at if I tells you it's a win-win for all of us. 1 million that you will just share on that. This you in a 1 May. From Nigerian police. Where if you go to them, you pay. If they come to you, you pay. The Nigerian police would not like to give me that money. The ones who know Butere had bad name. Destroy poor their reputation. Anybody can walk in there and tell you to declare somebody wanted without any proper investigation. A man know a very bad reputation. A man know a very bad name. It's not even about the money. Stop looking into the money. You and I know that Ogechi, money is not even the problem here. It's just the reputation how you destroyed someone's reputation because you want to take your ego because you want somebody on the level I get this thing, it got this shocked. It got this shocked to naga chop on this woman Jamie here. Can you people meregi? What the people did to you? Then the people meregi with this hatred within you. DG big because you know we're gonna mute because you know we're gonna mute now. Game will be to torment people. Job your man. Well, how many days do we have to spend in Nigeria? I lota gachare wamani. Chere wamani. Cheren anamadia. This is just one. All of you. May came and bring up organize. It's just just time. Time. Only this woman who were latigin too mode. It's just time. Time. It's just a matter of time. Time. But who knew never made my rice in that hotel? All of you violated my constitutional rights. All of you. Only that bullied me. Mande, a question here no there. Manda won't police a question. All of you, Makachi, all of you will hear from me in due time. All of you, Sorona Biadia from A to Z. Ashimono Chene, I got mono. Matter of time. Ono agama jono mono police. Agama jono mono police. What right could no win? Ono jibia harasiamo that day. Don't worry, I'm coming. Don't worry, ya me honozo. Emana ya individual kamona ya made this lawsuit. I can know exactly what I asked for, but you can't just disgrace police this manner. Ashimono Cherema they come. Unless uno potara. Uno potara. There in that apology. Shim Ogechi ne sorry. Unu ni this woman he used to torment me. Unu ni ne. All of you. Cherena aka cherema ana ma bia ma koro na aka no zu otu. It's just a matter of time. Oga the two. Oh my God. I beg the ECOWAS website. I'm not there now. Go to ECOWAS website now. Go and read it. It's there. Go and read it. It's there. Pretty, I'm not a bad person. I'm going to be your jaw. I'm going to be your jaw. I'm not evil. I'm going to be your jaw. But at the same time, I me intimidate. You can't subdue me to nothing. You still want to close my mouth. She won't close my mouth. It's not done that way. And when you hear, I'm sorry. What am I? When him dragging, when him talking, me, Chineka goes to my own understanding. You beat me, still tell me not to cry. Google. I hope you know what is about to hit you in America. I just need to get a little hint. It will loud. It will loud. I'll be giving you guys little hints. It's loud, very, very loud. And I hit in Nigeria, and I hit in America, but America got it too loud. You can't go in. It's about to go down. If you like, I told them keep attack I ran to my way again. But don't we go because they got ganga. Mshige got ganga. He got no there. Mshihanagi go enter. You all again. Know that it will happen. Okay, making anya kuro. Other go gang. Wait for it. Ebi don't wanna for ebi don't forzo. I gonna get caught until I find the agigi. Take one. Okay, hit it soon. If I ever get shit, am I here na biarage? Other go am I here na biarage? You don't know what's going on. I got check America. I love Nigeria. Gaga punya. Come on, la cheji. No, nobody's going anywhere. Lekwanga. In America. I'm not telling you Nigeria. In America. Next time. Next time. It carry a paradigm that your messed up life enter inside. One of those, that Amusu and about Ibu side, she will not be not to come and save you. She will, I'm gonna go just write your date, down. This thunderstorm will hit you soon. It's work. Oh, tough. You got no time. Just got but the one hire a better lawyer, pardon. With a pardon, you show me because on a hair injury on your side. It go play, go show. Mark it and get ready. I just can't bag it go, okay? They prepared. I'm not but I'm telling you what I saw happening. And the M so far. I got what him now bag it to. They just they two here. It will not come from me, but I want for witness. I will be there with my full heart. Garagaba. My witness, him choron America, man, play. I'm the person. Call me. I am ready to witness. Any day, anytime. And we langa one day to show Ogechi Shali. Oh, he got one, but I will witness. This time, we evil biala. When we paka. When they present to managing the court to be I'm just a witness. I'm just shaking pardon. Another time soon, Sadia, that bitter bastard. Oh, even though you're talking, but I don't give up. Fight, baby girl. I'm no destroyer, like in Toto. I'm an only carry bitter, or mother, Tonya Lari. All our Jipalagi. Now she's no longer telling you, no, pata, belly with the belly. Where is the one able to do? But everybody with you, but pata, meya. Now, Baba Nebeke, idiot that cannot stand stagger to 1-3 years. Shana again, what the command of the house saga words. But you know, I made time, follow as actually okay, Lepuana. It doesn't work like that. Kowaran, you are former. Now, the same method, no, Brulagan and Koni Obodo. Buruyaga to all platforms today, get up. Tell me, gonna tell them. When you now the same method say that don't do anyone evidence will get you. No problem. Ogechi Zirochi, Mpaya Puria, Mother Cake, America, I had away wanted criminal. Exactly, no problem. But how long can you sustain it? Ijele cannot concentrate anymore. I'm a near that fire or chocolate. I want her to start making me. I try to get him every day. It doesn't go viral every day in Kamaga. No problem. That I'm just saying that publicity feel you will give it to me, Jelly. Ashumge, where Jaggy can because you don't set. Abagongin kit enough. Abalangin kit enough. Abagongin kit. I will fight you. The game has started. Muna ga lawyer. I took the main matter thing he gave me. Etinishi. I better him now above you. I better him now above you. Just excuse me. Can he walk to the manager jiga above you? What do you want? Can he walk to? Somebody ji bleaching. The winner for my galenu kinile. I will put them on again now. Only kaga packet the wine. I will put them on again now. Only kaga packet the wine. Ada me segi ya tope. Asum ge emari hipu about to be buputea. John de Garoza, you are too small. Nga bwiri movie. I ga bada suri get the dance because him ashi aba hu uso were mbo Ogechi. I think I get too much. Ihunum as an arrival. Every time watch anything above you. I'm a big Chineke Puogono. A big name would date, a big name and who common half a plot. They will tell money, 1 year, I'm gonna go high in any level. When I go high in any level, or they came my class again. Or they came my standard again. School, you know, go. Nothing to write home about. It's your to the kage. It's your 10-way surname. They will tell them on. Nago wonye. Who the fuck are you? Each and angry. Eh, if I get one enough, I say allow, plan I have. I shouldn't get Chaka Warumbo. Chaka Warum. Gather my enemies. That's the kind of fight I like. Because any 3 hype your moral. Come to the BP and he develop. Come Jaka me oppression. That's your button on elu. Come me oppression. Chinegiano ketaya. Come beg again. You a mad, dirty, bleaching, haggard idiot to the kage. Foolish idiot. I should bring it the fuck on. Can you at least I mess you have 4 to 5 years. So you're like Jesus weekend. You must be a dirty bastard if you're with Remono. I got you. And you're like, anybody who will be TikTok, you're working a threat. Are you mad? When any make an issue. Or the sense anymore. You don't have a normal way to reason. You think people put them case me come aka an jele who de la de kage ba also I do know soon de kage ba also. Even at the first time I kept quiet. Me at the second time I kept. Me at the third time. Who the fuck are you for me to keep quiet? Iwonyara. Oh, can I blame me? Iwonyara. All the kitchen will be EP overnight. It's an eye in a mega maker. The history, how it works. I know why I ignored who I ignored. I'll get with a lawsuit very soon. Because when I get super taken out, at least I have a business in China. I'll get put a little your own, you have nothing to write home about. I got my tattoo said, I'm a John with Biddy. I want you to do that thing he gave me. Okay, channel baby before. I will deal with you mercilessly. That's your condemned lab. So they can when animal do a chagging a laps. That's your lab. So they can animal do my chaggy SKEB. Majaka people those things. See, you are a very useless idiot. You jelly all about saga. If you don't bring up the cuckoo na one day on a platform, okay, may thunder strike a auto akamugahu. Kobabu. You never see anything. That saga you will get it. Na gonna come and when you connect a kobibe, you want ibemu. When the guy gets in talk in a tobo jara baggy. It don't have pago to know joya worum. Why would they tell them moja? You mad? You really banana? Odika anachigi, nigga, one why you? I got about that some way you got, but I got no go leave you. I got about that boy iji. And the one thing when I get started, and I'm at the gotcha. All the first thing they will talk. You go get your very buhebu. On your level, on your very bad view. Oh, you just have a chicken without view. You just have a chicken without view. I'm a chicken without view. I need to use you and grow my page. I'm a chicken where I want to use you, but I love you. It's your turn. I have a contact. What do you have to offer? Get him with it. And I can't give you pants in Ishigane. Do I operate or remember operate to your low class level? Dirty stinking bitch. And then again, you know, just have you on your son. You want the audacity, she no get you, nigga. I'm a canamba again kitchen. I'm a canasistan colonia cabiaro, when the cabiaro, mama again kitchen. And you think you have arrived. That view I'm a gigabaya. That view I'm a gigabaya jelly. It will big name but have nothing to write about. Big name otulawakam. Big name is tacky literate the kaki. Big name answer for her. I'm a that's your big name, I'm a petoya. I will destroy it in total. Chine, ask for my mother hamabukwegi jelly. Don't that scatter aquagi that your shapeless, stinking, unconstructed wood. Chineke bukwagono. Abetana akoyeri. Iwanyara. Imene kempu mabagi. They rush me. Okay, so third time. Fourth time. I never one day insulted you directly. Never. Never. Every day gonna Kelly. Bia. Oset yela. Now it's you and I. Ndene mi gigana kegi. Ndene mi bipesi na nkemu. Ndene mi gibiya na nkemu. Ndeke mi gana nkegi. Now the die is cast. Oti birila. That's in the game. Meha. Because Abala get a long time. I will not even listen to those idiots that come to your platform because they're I had the karage. Oh okay. I'm a plagage plaguki. If I don't piano to my test, I will not leave you. Actually, I want you to do that thing you want to do. I want to see your capability. Actually, what you will do. Your enemies are invited here. Go to Obugugu. If you don't go to Obugugu, Thunder Babuogi Jelly. Amado Henwe part 2 part 7 Akubuogi. Go to Obugugu there. If you don't go, come and go, sister. If you don't go there, may you kweme. Utela may you kweme. Bleaching confused screen. He begin as a better one. Give better as well, but give me one. Give me two. Chineke bukwagono. A local beach. A stinking haggard prostitute do the kake. Chineke bukwagono. In a koiri. Some girls. I mean, people like that. Okay, I'm papa. And the kuwa that's in course so. How I ignored her for months. She didn't tell you. She didn't tell you. Yana froggy wa campito. Odika you're not to keep ya poya bata. Odika not to get poya bata. Not to get poya bata. Odika each and one eating gabata. And you got these people gonna hana and mega can otula nation me. Now again kitigation and when he gave metally. I promuna get second nose, it's a gabagan babumu. Gabagan no babumu. Eh? Oh, because the family Anna to Panano Ediano. Naiga bada saga o. Ijale. Ega bada saga. If you don't saga that saga, thunder babuola moge. Other than I never na kubuola moge. Chineke apụọ m gonu ijele. Ị ga-agbada saga. If you don't saga that saga, what am I kubuola m gị? Chineke bụ okay na wa ga be igbu ahi ije were am accommodate asu. Okay na wa kwa m ibuga he shazu. Tonda babu kwegi. You think you're mad? I begin believe me like this. Omo can I buka? Na me you want buka for? Odeke na aju eri. Odeke na aju eri. Odeke na aju eri. Everything every little provocation, it ought a bit. Every little thing, it ought a bit. Ogechi. As in Kenepanu, as in level organic. Continuously. Every day. About you. I'm a big name. Which of you? Of you can as well. Of it's your come go sugar. Of you in as well as we jelly. Do you want me to show? Ijele, don't provoke me, oh. Don't provoke me. It's your country people that you buy views. It's your country people that you worship you. Nobody watches you. You buy views. You want to get feel threats. Ijele mtanage megi as my content to jelly. Ige bako. Avoid me. Ntaragi. I wanted to give it to you today. Keep provoke one again. Who the fuck are you that I will not discuss program that related to you? Very stupid human being. You want everything to be you. Anything that concerns you now is what I'm gonna be tabling. Actually, about view. I want to use you for view. Actually, use to get for view. Actually, get view. Are you crazy? Very shiawa. I'm not talking about the view. What do you have? Ujele, he may pay la social media before get a bit of run my social media. Emana use Facebook. Emana has social media. I'm gonna all put about TikTok. Every put about TikTok. I'm now. He got my tank. If those people did not give you what to use and second me, eh? Okay, be to hand again.
Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Welcome, name. Agree to go.
Enwere him chọrọ ikwu.
Okay, biko.
Anọ m mgbe ihe a bidoro. Oge all God racing bidoro ihe a. God racing no life. Oge abata TikTok. Ghana life God racing. Ka watch ahe God racing kuge. God racing ebido ta yeriwe ọnụ n'ijele sekwa na I threaten life abada. I'm giving the fact na oge mele experience ihe ampo. Mgbe ọ nọ na Nigeria. Ha bịa ma attempt life ya. Oge asimba o. Na ọkwa na ọ dị ten onwe ihe megelo. Na ọ dịghị interest na aka ya akwụkwa ya. So God racing oge asị ya na ya wete no proof. God racing na struggle with the phone ya. si nwa be ya na ya wete phone ka hotspot or ya ka o play ihe oji as proof. So megidele ihe ahụ, it wasn't going. Oge nọ na life, oge asị ngwa na ya nwe ya chọbụ ịbịa life. Na ka ọ gazie life na God racing na ọrụ na oji proof. Na ya abịawazie na life ya. So I know kwa na life God racing na asị na oge ọbịala life. So later Oge bịara life, ya ga join ya life oge. And understand na God racing nọ na team Ijele. God racing na Ijele mere peace few days ago. Onye Ijele na asị na oge na-ebugete ndị dị against her. Ọ washe. Because God racing na Ijele nọ na the same.
Mgbe ya na ya gara na platform ya ga peace o.
God racing bịara na.
Mechukwa na idiot na ya na ya nọ. Chineke bụkwa gị ọkụ Ijele. Ijele amadụ ha kugbu okwela m gị.
I will say the truth. So mgbe ọ bịara na-ekwu ihe ndị a, ya play wee live video Ijele mere na Ijele kwuru na ọkwa gị nwa kwuru na ga-ebute ndị ga-agba egbe, you know. So and I could understand where Oge was coming from. Ugebe na ji man Oge men experience attempt na her life mgbe ọ nọ na.
She's even watching you. She's watching you. Give up by your team Ijele
turned about Oge. Ijele saga continue between me and you. When I get a break here at this TikTok, you were a very useless and kept idiot. Idiot to the kagi. Idiot to the kagi. When I get a saga here. When I get a saga on this saga end there, this TikTok. It is very useless. A bleaching haggard prostitute. Idiot to the kagi. You will see saga and who saga. Who wow. You will see wow.
You never know peace.
He go mute to go down where you go.
See what peace here. Ijele me chiga about saga. I'm a chiga about view. Ijele. That view. Na neki PP. I me chiga about ya.
Okay. Imagine you are too cool. I shall get one here now in America. I hear a guy work.
Yes, all that crime man and where have no gun or put that. Then you report to like 24/7 and again. All that crime mother you open up again and again. You prostitute that worry pana. I got a giga about view. That view never against Sobu. I'm a giga about again. You never see anything in jail. Get ready for 5 years. Saga him genegi. I mean, get 5 years. That's 5 years. Come get it. John go collect almost decades. I mean, Nicky 5 good years. Actually, I'm keeping here.
Thinking now.
Yes, I'm there.
The fool, uneducated bastard. Anybody can maneuver your brain. Stupid idiots.
God racing na you plague and I get play. I can defend there.
Ijele is an idiot.
Okay, did not talk against Ijele.
Ijele can Ijele. Why be talking with me and you? 5 good years can get negia. 5 years.
Okay, did not speak against it.
I put him against this bitch. I never did. I never did.
It was God racing. Why you don't ask? No, we Ijele neria. No, we Ijele kuru. Ijele ga bia court. Oh, God racing. What she don't know God. I'm not
a betrayer bitch. You betray people. One night betrayer.
On a live video. A lot of people are not watching.
If I'm a hashim remove Rogamami himero.
Yeah, exactly. Himero. And when who more get or Ijele for what?
One day I never insulted this animal not anymore. This in Gene on anymore. I never insulted her. Now they wanted that thing. That was it.
Oge did not listen to anybody.
Nigeria bring it on. It was
Ijele na platform when this started. Oh God racing put the case if you are here. And oh God racing one yes in Ijele Guaraya. But play with la gazena wall Ijele got the bomb koya. Iyotago, and we who walk it, and we who I'm here and we have video from in the morning. It was God racing that caused this thing. Are we walking? Biko, bye-bye.
Network, yeah, pause all. I know here.
I know ya. Ega no time. Una give me China. Oh, you don't enter.
Syndrome. Injili, you're very, very wicked. Injili, you will never know peace. If you with the tears of my eyes, you may be Injili. Injili, if my bag you man dogging in there, Injili, never have what goes up. I can meet you to the cage. And remember, only security going around. Because Injili be a disgrace. Neither the Minano, they go to Ghana, Ibn Ketala. You have no words. You won't get to this guy. Yeah, the relevant.
Oh, yeah, no. Very irrelevant, dirty, stuck illiterate. Very. Guys, Kambanyo, yeah, your TikTok is striking me. Kambanyo, animal, yeah. Ijara monarchy. Mbapala goso. Hey, Chineko get Abila Marere. Alola Moko walk, ya walk, otu, deboro tule. Eh? You just have to get him can believe to myself to your low class. I can't believe to myself. I will belittle myself to your zero class. I want to see what you are made of. I want to see what you are made of. I want to see your capacity in a war. I like it too much. Every morning you are my topic now. Until 5 good. I'm a nigga 5 years. You get cool me 5 good years. Come get nigga. I'm a nigga complete 5 good years. I'm a jigga about that view. That view nigga BP. I'm a nigga that BP. I'm gonna get at this TikTok. Chineke bukwa a dirty thing. Na di dirty 24/7 on. Ashibu ma bara visite kola mi ibugi. Ibuga he shishi. What you me sacrifice anyas. Na onye ke ewu. Who the fuck are? Onye ke ewu. Iri jogo on Ijele. You wonyara.
Ijele we no get levels.
Onye wonna ge.
Okay, for that Ijele. That machine no because block ku Ijele contact. Ijele abropa mmado. Ijele go dey Ijele make it
very local woman. Wants to be the one to have the information first.
Ijele said that now
wants to have the information first. Very local.
She denied it. Because of the kwekwe ni ha. Imagine your also get akoko get in isi na. Ijele yen water piece na ndo. Get akoko get in isi na.
Just about that, come there, no phone advice. How be careful about Ijele. Ijele does not keep people's secrets. She does not keep people's secrets. Whatever you need to out for Ijele, that must be exposed. One day. Only on our free way. And the thing
I wish that I didn't know the position.
I may be going to the
that woman have been the evil.
A useless betrayer. A useless betrayer. Somebody that you cannot trust. Udelo pitona.